the pardon of Pebekan Kai, and so Taba, we had to make it so. I'm a Piasso Tabakwe, and of our rescue take quarter Sompa TV, Ubena, Ewa take quarter that's not for what to enjoy Kamapa. I first Sompa TV on the YouTube, no subscriber. Now to message that pardon of Pebekan Kai, and so Taba, we had to make it so. I'm a Piasso Tabakwe, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the biggest platform in the morning. This is Sompa full-time sports from now to 12 p.m. is going to be power pacing presentation and the full details of all the stories cropping up this morning in the world of sports. Lieutenant Richard Chris Adam Sakowa Mackenzie, call me intellectual, can call me intellectual intelligence. Jeffrey Asari, aka Apostle. And so, after the non permitted the coach, so, and Prince Boateng Buantino. Yes, Sir Prince after the non permitted the car, and the originally, Philip Cabrain Kumsa. And so, after El Sali Bombetin car, and what to make so, Orlando, and Jacob Blanson, the first time in the Mapa, and Cinco de Mario Sutarachi, Mr. Wack, and Roland Jenny Boateng. Roberto Firmino the finisher. Woman the producer to Meteno. Tino pay your tossing and the summer to the pay. And your temple come up pano. Yes, shall see Emamo and just of the details of the story cropping up in the foreign front. Yabama trust no fee. Get the Yaka and so Tamamo come up Pama be Piasso to be pay. And to a tournament patron penny and Tina. Nearmount details number be Piasso and to me Koye. A fay be patron Ghana Premier League matches. I want to be toja reactions. I want to Amankuna against Kumasa Sante Kodoko and Kumasa Sante Kodoko against Bekum Chelsea. You were across the folk. Anna Afe, a year, me Patrobu Kema, and also Eto Jantinite, and on a permission Kona, Women Nations FC. And you put in no pay, yet the details never from Swampa, and of the other stories cropping up this morning on the local scene. Mobati and come say a teacher, Yamamo, the Ecos Nabi Piasum, that Makwe, the patron to make in a new fremo. Oh, yet the reason tell your task and no pay, not fair be patron Yapre, near yet to must the pay to my take Kudimun Sam, the Ecoso, I might be Piasso to my content to be patron Daruma, Obacon Facebook, or so called Facebook, or so, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now follow now share now to message to the pardon of Pebekan Kai and so Tama we have to make the Sompa 93.1 FM on the Facebook. How now can for what follow now share now to message to the pardon for Wataruma the patron call you decode and that's one or scanner or some Sompa TV na fe Sompa TV subscribe on YouTube also now a pama for message to the Panian Kai and some informal come and maybe Piasso intermediate printed or pay your taxi get the duties next one to come up. Eti gentleman dental kene komota eti ana mi patwa taroma na gentleman tena story eti epa gentleman dental kene sa wasoro no pay wan kasa wo sampa wonu yinka pa watiase obu wa mi patwa no yinka ntino ana on person be kaso obejam watiase na face wonu yinka so a yene e timi korpasa watamfo anaso wakodo ku anase ubi bi be katwa se wonu yinka promoted every 6 months piano okwa cleaning now we call cleaning now a gentleman 10,000 clinic commercial here and a big for them master cleaning what I say na be pebe kwe na so tamao me patro wa me patro fia meta wo kata masunu no maye kro ana fe kaka na to kro o post na mo chefro no ba ana afa me patro sit na na ye mere wa me patro pesa wo se the goat and that's silver what the gentleman 10,000 clinic on alcohol near to mess your come and come on, commercial Sasia, what I don't worry crowd for what's some. I know how quite gentleman 10,000 clinic and patrol to money come and so Tabakumasia prepotency and Tana UMP Bank the woman on a swap the patron per total police station matter the school teacher anymore and you need come out our so 0559139582 05591395 it's a 2 Yahoma bet my friend gentleman 10,000 clinic kutru sunyania the patron your preston for prejudice car you want to make company atomic town nunkwasi 5 junction how about you take kwaso ho ana fe kofoje per central police station or our apply your bank bank the panchase tadisco down water krate oba gentleman 10,000 clinic see a butcher pa anya some to talk attachment your masi can tank so it's not me patron pomade say with robo ho na fe me piaso to makweso tamao ma me fan to no no pay say Joy Camp Roofing Company Limited. Atete no pay Joy Camp Tete, Joy Camp Popo, Joy Camp ye heavy. What's what we what to lentil. Na me patrol per company betuma porta de so ba. Abra enko fa problem bia so fa ba. En fa ma jampan to the bopo. What has here? Now so Joy Camp football. What has wa? What is the need to kono? What ya wutim? And ya start talk and so propo. Joy Camp Roofing Company Limited. Omo chance no. Ya papa German materials. I don't want to manufacture. It is a patrol a humutum from a bar, and yet there's a account chancellor. Yes, someone confer your trade with experts. I'm a patrol potaswa, and leaky. Now, Demaquet does from Cool Joy Camp, Roofing Company Limited. Woman and chancellor would total temperature so, and it's a so try and one castle run home, a more to test soon can be batable, and a fake and you naturally, and Mupu and Patron Papai, where your chance of a pa. Joy Camp Roofing Company Limited, with patrol, one more temperature, the whole Ghana opinion about two more a banner IBRITT stuff lock on of Euro task the Kakawalos a Grinano, one with the Babako Techiman, Udra Kra, Utu Sunan Katanga Tamale, on of a wab and Peba piano, Opiasi Joy Camp, your Toro Taratoro, and yes, some Katoko Kumasia, one more Shokuman and Pame, one the police station at Tinchanimu, and you need 0551 00 9000 0551 9000 Yahuma, Ubeto Joy Camp Roofing Company Limited for them for some estimating come I'ma be pierced with so tomorrow of a country and not drinking water as some attaching on a paying us of country and not drinking water Yesua says a God have been pure for Pia or Piasa country and not drinking water against Papa Army Patronuma just a woman you must to miss and the work you team. Wosoro no anafe woso wa na obabi etititi me patronya kanti na natural drinking water no nunu pina mu papi ebeboa ama me patro wunti no sweetuma e flexible na fe mo chane sweetuma de fusa de pa na ade pako a ewo kanti na natural drinking water wa also gada di pia won so etimi kabina for wonom ana se kanti na natural drinking water no ade bako de se e alkaline na ye no ade bako ha kana for pass ye no de pia dwane ya no Johnny Anua so no it produce a lot of acid and we system no ma wunya kanti na natural drinking water anu ya alkaline no anu the alkaline be ready pagene mu kama aba di pagene straight to my fancy ni pagene straight to my fancy ya just alkaline also ewonimu enti na kanti na natural drinking water yesua also tasani pewje bi na fe wetumo nonom aye good body ma appeal for one fe fra wonso also I don't know enti no pewti enka pabate so betuma penso wecha kwan na ye papa anya sekreto kompatro ba be fonto de bosa wo pedudu to a breman UGC ana oba ye cha kwan anase tafo new road abawo road junction oba ye cha kwan wo pedudu to a ene perform ene komo 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahoma Ubetuma Fair Canton and natural drinking water when ni so utri tapano pianom anya sekretokra impust heba mister ratina coupon impust heba mister tete impust heba mister popopo be patro post in the international o international to say h international person ya did that to kurwa what any impust heba mister no nepido no pada so tatans ke bepa na bi eso tamo ya tebe na du kudi pajano na mi pato wo so yo bo so we no fe what is ya test se di pajano mo na so be test awoto anya de se bi pato test no every yaria and so womo enti na no pay me catch us post in intro and you betime do akajamu kama na fe enti me pia ya de bia de fili pajano mo e boost immune system no me patron eye asotafo na wo mo ni pajano no okwa bana hoten na fe ya de bia kutie di pajano abon gala way and so de fili pajano mo and imposter prime minister o post in intro ratina ko super fantastic imposter prime minister ya draw awesome go bia so set me kabi na for Pone be boa de pla ho so to my ten kama me patro me be to do piano o so be kan poster ba besta no o post ne to na fe wetima no wetima bo na what attention so de papa and Dr. Sharp no permit yaw wo ye have your juma wo poda no ten 0246 2084 96 0246 2084 96 Yahoma o betuma for Dr. Sharp in poster permit post ne to na for no pedicasium so ultimate come ama be pia straight tobacco, be patcho was on pay, open bundle, and a call credit bebre, and your business, man switching come beer, and when it's open, tell us our temple, not for what tattoo for the so, tell us our connecting energies, be patcho one tale, *530# no me assume yaswa, almost the options, Libaba, don't be patcho to options no, and your call credit, and of a bundles bebre, every woman in better bundles and the more, and yes, and Ketokradom, I am a patcho tell us all, what I say, be patcho tell us, first, you can get to be budget bundles, and a call credit combined bebre, not for me patcho with them, as we know, okay, we must stay alive, I was social media this one, and you tell us some quantity, not for me person, let to my yampa bad energies, yampa positive energies, now tell us all, more positive energy, now for be person, let to my question, to tell us that here, me patcho would be, unyane te proto for the so, not for me patcho office, I want to tell me patcho, not what boy, tell us for Basu say, and yes, I get to Kobama call, and I'm for a year browsing any streaming I get there, and yes, I'm get to bet way, yeah, give way more, bet way, who tap bet way, and yes, I'm get to crab, sister, who tap bet in Quadia, your number one super betting app, I bet way, and one is betway.com.gh, me patrol, call place to the Sonafe, and download to a betway app, no, and no quality betting app, would ya, me patrol, sika me pray, also what the mano, as a sopa, who sika the pray, and in that betway, I will for the nature bet, no, and I say, what's our automatic cash out, and so I will betway app, and also. And two child bet you know what automatic cash out no obosa be patch match 1 match 2 a tipper boss withdraw na a cool mobile wallet no come na be pia sweat to make unya 18 years a men come betway is super fantastic and no pay omo 13 and ya trust ya be patch adaroma you dey full time to be table live on Sompa 93.1 FM be patch ko Facebook ko so and ya Sompa 93.1 FM na fe who follow now share now to message today pardon pay you make cancel tamo e we to better so ma wo say Abbas Zakari want to message na pa was say good morning to you all for the best sports station Abbas Zakari message am what happen no Giovanni Ajadim at the message na pa was say Domot Leverkusen just investors or musica say that's a to messages ne pa it also so na for message today pa wo Facebook so ne kan na so for no pay e ma be piasom to be be patching that shooting could also get the Sunday bar live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Young Kor Gilbert to Bobo Kudasuya, young Kuya to make a cram, also Gilbert to Bobo Kudumo. Now, what to Gilbert to Bobo Kudasuya, also be catchers are Brontia, your friend Antonio Rutica, a pro second, and about Gilbert to Bobo Kudo, and Androta, be patch of Mountain Tapia, do to be tota, between Gilbert to Bobo Kudo, and off and let it come to Bobo Kuda, already to Antonio Rutica, about the winning goal, and about Gilbert to Bobo Kudo. True paratis bar Gilbert to Bobo Kono, Waterman Patobo to be qualifier to the next stage of the contention. I'll check here already to Antonio Rudica fashion. Nothing was celebrating here. And it's let it come to Bobo Kona, and let it come to pay for Pali videos. As some let it come you from Perifosa, Wabuti the Passa Brantia, the Tini Antonio Rudica, what did you let it come to Bobo Kono, as some Atom, and of a Branta, the Tini Killian in Purple 10, already to the Venetia Junior, and of a Daniel Fernandez, the Bayer players way. After the game, Nima, Omoya were pitched as no, I let you come back to 24, a pali videos, a report to more, and so to my UEFA from 24. Now, according to report, I don't pay intelligence, I make a purchase already to Antonio Rodica. Now, me and Tuma asked the gamer, and who told Jar Gilbert to ask the Bobokono, or Mokeme Etota, and your quarterfinals now, already to Antonio Rodica and Perifobe to my Barono, and my son came on, and also to me Sakai, and from Gilbert to Bobokono, no more Bronte for the finish your junior killer the papa. For tennis empires, or with their fine, and so to my call at the master players no, not for the person, get to my corner for Namia Tuma, ask Daniel Gilbert to come no, or met to Masakai, and so Tamar Gilbert to Bobokono, and there could be a ban for Prante for Antonio Rudica and Loco the crazy one, or Sakai, Edward Gilbert to Bobokono, in a quarter for the game against us, Nabobo couldn't tell you a report, I don't pay, Mesaka, and therefore Gilbert to Bobokono, yeah, what to Maso to Bobosta for, now, and now be Patromabil from to the said the Atedia, Basta Bobo Kodom, and the Athletic Coma to Camino, Basta Bobo Kodopote, and the Athletic Coma to Bobo Kodi to Bofim, I'm a Piasom, Etabaquenja Sapketoka, not me Patroma Bifoto, the said the Atedia, Okor Gilbert to Bobo Kodom, almost Australia, Waterman Patrol in the next year 15 days, Real to Bobo Kono, and the Basta Bobo Kodi 2 times. In the next 15 days, Real Madrid Bobo Kone Barca Bobo Kono, Wombesia 2 times. After saying just like talk about I Spanish Copa del Rey grand finale. And Ubetumatoja, and often Patuatoro, Mamma Fato, the Bossa, another game, Ever Cosua, Lali Kadimua, and the Air Classico version, and also Ebetumatoja, between Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and often Pato Barca Bobo Konintano, a reporter on a pedasso bar. Yan went to Maso to Bobosa now be Pato for the first time. In 11 years, Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and then Barca Bobo Kono Musia in the Spanish La Liga Santander, and Asan Obusia in the Spanish Copa del Rey final. The last time Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and of Barca Bobo Konisiano, I want the grand finale of the Copa del Rey, no, me patro 11 years ago, and team, and the reporter on pay, and also by Yan went to Maso to Mabu to Mateso, now me patro Baba me for to the Bossa, Uram, we have Barca, and of Real Madrid came and also to Mato. Me patron the tennis was Barca Bobo could have reached the grand finale of the Copa del Rey. Real Madrid Bobo could have sweat to reach the grand finale. Now me patron for the first time. A bit to my pastor already thing and so and a hands flick on your manager and Real your manager to my Barca Bobo Kono. A bit to my pastor, a bit to my lose the first finals and now it was already thing and a hands data flick my big fun to the Bossa Sensa. Well, you could know and that just go to me and Lusu. I will final pure cup final pianwa already to the house of Frico wapa walusu for the first time a bit to my passer already to the house of Frick bit to Lusu the first a cup final na upon patron Real Madrid Bobo Kono and so and a year pass a Bobo Kono as to Asia I'm be piasso to my queen Tadeka I don't know pedoso bar me patron to my Facebook also or Facebook also Sompa 93.1 FM now follow now share now for what to message to the pardon pay Yabakan kind and so tabao away to so I'm be piasso to my that's what so yeah there's something bar live on Sompa 93.1 FM now me patron my before to the bra yeah, Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and of a Barca Bobo Kono Sweatmano, not for Instama to be pray, as one Asia Ecoso, not for the Piason, let my queen gas of Ketoka, not be part of the Atedia, or Robert Gilman to Bobo Kono Sassia, I probably part of the Catosa for the first time in the figures no, woman and Barca Bobo Kono, Nasubesiano, me patron in terms of your finals, and what to taking place between Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and of a Barca Bobo Kono, and of a matches I want to this way to taking place. I was Spanish Copa de Remo. Between Gilbert to Bobo Kono and of a Pastor Bobo Kono the 10 year, me patromosia 38 times. And so there was Spanish Copa de Remo. Now me patron the tennis the Mako watche and sweat to my finals between Real Madrid Bobo Kono and a Pastor Bobo Kono Mosia 38 times. And of a 8 and sweat to my aya finals between Real Madrid Bobo Kono and a Pastor Bobo Kono 1936. Real Madrid Bobo Kono to Barca Tobo Camino, Wabotomo Paco, and of a patron 1968. The tennis Barcelona Bobo Kono, Asha Bakor Gilbert to Bobo Kono to Manoshe, and of Fabi Patron 1974, Real Madrid Bobo Kono 9, Barca Bobo Kono, Aswin to Manoshe, and of 1983, the Patron Barcelona Bobo Kono, Aswin to Mishamiano, Real Madrid Bobo Kono to Kanapaco, and of 1990, Barca Bobo Kono Shamiano, Real Madrid Bobo Kono to Manoshe, Real Madrid Bobo Kono 211, the Patron about the Barca Bobo Kono to Kabako, Wamaswin to Manoshe, and of 2014, Real Madrid to Bobo Kone Sebiano, Barca Bobo Kone to Bako, and to be part of the last a year, find a set to Copa de Remono, a year 7 times. Anna, Real Madrid to Bobo Kone, Barca Bobo Konesia, and to the Mia Tuma, be part of Bosumia woman, Neta, the Patratoso to the Bacono, and also a bit of game, a bit to Matota in the Spanish Copa de Rey between Real Madrid to Bobo Kono, and of the Barca Bobo Kone Teleka, and on a Panoso Bam, they went to and so Tomabusha for life on Sompa 93.1 FM. Me patron follow na share our Facebook cross no for message in pardon pay yabakan kan so tabao e we to mate so me ko Manchester United bobo cross here me ko to makakra e Manchester United bobo ko to mataruma mo fa Manchester United bobo ko no mo fa omo artwork no so fanto TV no so na fa yanku anim me patron Manchester United bobo ko the sense ya te Manchester United bobo ko no sign so ba ya chase emu dupa mo e de sika ko transfer market so now for tomato players no master dosho papa and yasam ketokra no anam patrodia two team with us no me patro since Manchester United bobo could buy one record signing so much to buy a Manchester United way no I don't get two team with us no always can you take quarter of Sompa Sompa TV prepare my so tamo me patro ready to the Papa Labele remains the most expensive signing our Manchester United history mo one more tabusika 105 million euros. And they go for ready to the Papa and Billy. Be patron play or toss you know. Just the board they pa Manchester United Bobo Kono at the Bayern. I am granted for the Anthony Dos Santos Montes. To the for the Anthony. Be patron 95 million euros. And I'm looking for granted for Ayas. I'm starting Bobo Kono the Bayern. The third most expensive signing for Manchester United Bobo Kono. I am granted for the Harry Maguire. It is 7 million euros. And I'm looking for granted already to the Sancho. As so Tosso and 9 on the 85 million euros. Already to Romelu, Menaba Lukaku, Poli, to for Romelu Lukaku, on also Tino, I 84.7 million euros. Already to Calito, Angel Fabian to Maria, Hernandez, Fido de Samparata, to the Maria, on the side, 75 million euros. Afa Brantia for the Rasmus Hoyland, Etoso and so on the 73.9 million euros. Already to the Calo Henrique, Joseph Francisco Venancio Casemiro, to the Casemiro, I have 70.65 million euros. And the way you see car, Manchester United Bobo Kono, or must spend our record signings are, I don't know, paper, but some, that's what we have to make it so. Me patron your Tosu and Crown, I have planted for the Bruno Miguel Podcast, Fernandez, Alba Crefico. Jordan for Bruno Fernandes. On the side, a cost Manchester United 65 million euros. And of a Tony Messi mount. On the toss to the patron system 4.2 million euros. And to way I top 10 most expensive signings in the history of Manchester United. Now, among all these players, Manchester United first Pediska, Echo for Momo Porting Panel, why need the most successful player among the most expensive signings in the history of Manchester United? Why? And I guess successful why? And they flop from our brand for the Pogba, every people branded the thing, and so Tony Messi Mount. To do that, say the most successful, expensive signing for Manchester United. I am branded for the Bruno Miguel Podcast, Fernandez, Alba Crefico. And what they between Pogba and a branded for the Bruno Fernandes. Why? And I would the password successful. And so Tema Manchester United, Bobo Kunafe, already to Romelu, Minama Lukaku, Poli, to Romelu Lukaku, and the patron the datum, a TV national, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now share, now for to message to the pardon of pay, the Mekan can be Pearson, the Mekoye, be patron that shooting could also, yet there's Sunday bar, I might be Pearson to be per life on Sompa 93.1 FM. Be patron calling for Bobo Kunasoya, live for Bobo Kurano. A branch for the Mohamed Mahmoud Makrem Salankali, to do for the Mosala. Me Mahmoud Tutas last time, a branch understand 2-year contract plus 1-year option. For Liverpool, Bobo Kono, Nana Patromabe Fanto, the most according to report, another Pemeseka Patters enter Liverpool pay for my official announcement. So, ready to the Mosala, and the Pedesic as well, started the contract in the Tamale for Bobo Kono. No one person you to pay the football mountain. Now, for Baba official announcement, I planted for the Trent, unless they are not. And the Pedesic as well, standing, and as I was saying, contract about Gilman to Bobo Kono. No more Liverpool Bobo Kono to be real man to pay for your announcement now. No more. Yeah, a branch for the Mosala announcement to this one. Also, the Pedesic as well, standing the contract, and so Tamale for Bobo couldn't enter. The patron reported on Pemeseka Patters, Mosala, the contract official announcement to the Basso. Number patron £350,000 every Friday. It is suspected that Mosala able to reach £400,000 and more. £400,000 and more every Friday. A branch and the Pedesic as not me standing. And so Tamale for Bobo could some make say Mosala when you're 32 years and later by 35 years now apparently it is about 2 years now selling for Pumped 40 pass. I want to know why no I standing by another year and me patro 3 years and I live for Bobo Kuniba Brantia you for the Mosala nothing on us to let tomato Petuma and so Tamale for Bobo Kunabum already to the Virgin Van Dyke and Teno and me patron Virgin Van Dyke me patron Titus I don't pay me Seka Patterson and open 2 years. Liverpool pay the first there be omo man 1 year plus 1 me patcho tie Liverpool pay the first omo ma apprentice they for the Virgil van Dijk 1 year plus 1 if you say when you're 35 years ago, and until soon to be the Juma for a branch for the Virgin van Dijk and Liverpool Tedeka. I don't know, Papa Second, here went to my and so to my way to better so life of Sompa 93.2 FM. Me patron that shooting could also get the study bar, me patron ready to the answer better. And so they are spotting Toronto about us the Bobo Kono, Wakakushia branch for Nico Williams was Kadima, Bill Bobo could have branch here, me person don't us the Bobo Kono for Wapa, no Messiah kind, and so about us. The Bobo Kuniti Nico Williams to Arsenal, and more reference Bermontin, and for Chelsea Bobo Kunumina, our interest, our Branton for Nico Williams, was that Kadaba Bill Bobo Kunit termination clause, a year 58 million euros, and Tim Adika Kami Patron pay, and also by Yan went to my soul to my to my so, Mamma, a Branton for Leroy, Aziz Sunny, may Baba went to my another person to my way to my so, who's the Arsenal Bobo Kono, and the Torobos Bobo Kunumina, I contacted Branton for Leroy, Aziz Sunny. Sani Brane Besia Kamaye, if it's a contract, I want to pay Monte Bobo Koruano, and Panaria, and to Brane Besia Kamaye, I'm Patosa, and commodity, and sweat to Macaso, Nana Pachomabe Fanto, the Messa, a Brante Fell Rossani, reporter on the Pabeseka Patasa Branton, or the Tecopasu stay, our Bermonte Bobo Kurmania, or Sim, or Tine Passa Bermonte Bobo Kunanite, or Pasobaku, Beko Kosakai, and so Tomacabu Piantibaya, and Capamonte and Pere for what to catch your socra, Nanka Bermonte and Pere for consider now Omotime started the contract number not for tomato Pachuma and some Etama Pamon to Bobo Kono. I don't know report on a Pabeseka Patasa where communication with Krana, a Branton, that's what Tama Pamon to Perifono, Pamon and Perifor Patasomunia, and taking final decision of Moko Nafe, the Patomunia and Perifonia to me agrees and Pabranton, Omo started the contract in Emana and started with me yesterday the contract of Abranton Felleroy Aziz Sani was that kind of Pamon to Bobo Kunafe, a planted a sweat tomato, a pachuma, and so tomato Pamon to Bobo Kunano, and a patron per report to Beseka Patasa, a planted young Koraska, and Perifobe started the contract, and so Tamaniti Damia to the next board meeting, Ube Tomatoja, or Mokotas, Nessa, the Pato Biasu to be Jituma, already tell Leroy, and as a planted young Koraska, and Perifobe started the contract, and so Tamana for planted some tomato, a pachuma Pamon to Bobo Kunituni Kaka, and on a perfect Pamon to Bobo Kono, a free Obasia Sonepa, ye went to Maso Tamu here to Matana so, Mommy already to the Fesente Gen Company in Poi, to the Festent Company, Wataruma, the Telesandra came and not to be torture, and no Aya Milan Tabi, Abba, AC Milan, any intabulable could body was Stadio Santiro Gossipe Miaza de Milano, Italia, no ready to the Festent Company, now a more reference, Namia to my UEFA Champions League, I am Pamunchin Bobo Kono, any intabulable Konobesia, no ready to the Festent Company, send one quack. Never more costa the intabula Bobocono, send me to my plan ahead. I'm going to be piasso to my quaint to my Pamunchin Bobocono, a tableau radio control stadium, picture Gidiato TV National, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now follow, now share, now to message to the power Facebook, also, now for your kind, and so Tama, we to my so I'm going to be piasso at my quaint patro Wataroma, more mammy, a branty fed Muhammad to Mamu to my crab Salagali, me patro to the picture to Swa, never a patro mama, a branty fed a year, Kutus Muhammad, Kudus Muhammad, ye player, was a Kadaba West Ham Gina to the Bobo Kono, Waterman Patro Kudus, Ghanaian International was a Kadaba West Ham Munted Yepa, and Nasal Bobo Kono, already to the Cristiano, Ronaldo dos Santos Avero, El Temperano San Rapido Bukina El Pietro, to the Fedisi Ronaldo the team, and Nasal Bobo Kono, almost a Bopa Branty for the Kudus Muhammad, Sam Abranty Babano from Mr. Kai, Adama and Nasal Bobo Kono, Saudi Arabia Pro League Kinimo, I'm a be persuaded to my Nasal Bobo Kono. Now, me patron Western United and Perry first of all, Kai, I get a Nasal Bobo Kono, say, I planted over Europe, Montes, so yeah, European club, that's all Benua. 85 million pounds. No bomb, the patron for Saudi Arabia, that's all Badia. Prepasso to a more than 100 million pounds. Instead of more Western United Bobo Kono, already to the Kudus woman, the way to make a plant to this one call. Now, according to report, another Pemeseka Patasa, say Kudus woman better to Panama be a drain, a plant to this woman room of Saudi Arabia there. Prince between 40 million euros and 50 million euros a season. A brand to the summit to Macau was Saudi Arabia. Aqua Costa was Saudi Arabia. Et Kudus, Obajatum, Nima Mamobi, Ma Renfi Sahana Ufro, Nima Mamobi, it is a sasika we ba na so be sign by 5-year contract next a season we just bear 50 million euros and so they go account so now we stay with Europe abontes na budgeting we ya waka di na wedi a and eminia sawara nya sem ketokra enti no ya prante for the Kudus Mohammed they feel so ya so they pardon no pay ye want to so to buster for mama me aprante for the Tayo Sankulo Upamecano to the for Upamecano ye player was ya kind that the payment to Bobo Kono now instead of payment to pay for the aprante tase and no mutin komo sa aprante for pen secret as well no contract no emma payment to Bobo Kono payment to pay for the thing koba and almost a quarter so and the apprentice for the full center is cutting cover and for Joshua Watakeme cutting cover the patrol players way or the put a secret as well my study about contract and so Tama payment to the Bobo Kono apprentice is the car what would the apprentice for Joshua Watakeme Kedafe already to the full center is no open the same amount and some of the put a secret as well as we to study the contract in Tama payment to Bobo Kono now me to my little by 2026 and apprentice the contract so I will payment to Bobo Kono I don't know penoslo pa moba me aprante for the Victor Jokeres oskia kan enso tema wataru bampacho Sporting CP Bobo Kono Arsenal pay the first start and Sporting CP pay the 14 komo discussions are starting between Arsenal and for Sporting CP Bobo Kono for the signature of aprante for the Victor Jokeres so Victor Jokeres but pardon fe waba bestia kan enso tema Arsenal Bobo Kono interne kakra I don't know penoslo pa yen wantuma enso tema Mustafa Life on Sompa 93.1 FM. Me patron and not game and ultimate toja between Liverpool Bobo Kuni and Fatil Bobo Kono. Me patron the international professional referee as a Uromo English Abratimama a PGMOL no our partners and not referee Jeffrey for a mistake. Now cause we record and the man brand for James Tarkowski and Mr. Tackler brand the Liverpool player because not worshiper. No one tells us player no else to be a game no it for the official report to swap and take a car. I don't know penoslo pantumo Mr. Video no what I say I know you apprentice for the James Tarkowski na apprentice kasa concerning that incident no etim enche metie sound voice ne kama na for me piasom etma continue apprentice for the James Tarkowski.
I've just seen the goal back and it's offside, so that's the decider of the game, which is for me not a goal that should have been given. So we didn't perform well, but we stuck out, defended pretty well for most of the game, and they say they get gifted a goal, which never should be.
Just to spell it out then, so you think Luis Diaz should be offside because you've had to make the play to stop the ball going through to him?
Well, I wasn't aware he's offside, so I have to play the ball like he's onside. I end up losing.
Anyway, I am apprentice for the James Tarkowski say one should have said bia or kwako pulling Liverpool player and more what you say no more patron the heat of the moment in which more I said to club what you say to and all I am apprentice for the James Tarkowski and some or some other two channel now be patron already to the anti-Postecoglou na Tournament Bobo Kono Chelsea Bobo Kono Tipani among first at Bemo already to the criminal to Mauricio Roberto Pochettino Trossaro to the for Mauricio Pochettino and your pair Obama take over and to already to Postecoglou be Patoyan Pomino Aurora Kasam was a Mopa Monko Fashion to burn to the Muma Pebo say already to the Pochettino Ebeba on care we a coach Yabapamo Obanya Juma and to no all focus with the Juma nothing with my said Todomos Pebo Kono and never bet my queen and so Tama Todomos Pebo Kono Chelsea Bobo Kono and the Todomos Pebo Patosan Kebno and no to 7 p.m. and I sank we to the into already to the Postecoglou.
That question directly, I think you'd get a pretty clear answer as to what his intent was.
During the international break, Richard Pochettino has been talking again about wanting to manage Spurs one day in the future. I just wonder what you made of him going public with that at a time when you know you're under a bit of pressure here, and also you're going into a defining part of the season.
The way I am someone patrol running to the anti-Postecoglou manager at Amatonabos Pebo Kurwaba Mountain and other person about to Jayan Wantuma at Ababu to the Soka Baby Piason at Makoe. That be patron to the so called a similar Bobo Kudasoya already to the Fabio Paratici in Perifone verbal agreement at taking place by Padaba Sporting Director at a similar Bobo Kunyami Atuma next season Fabio Paratici about constructed team no Bibia Koy Tama ma AC Milan bobo kuno baya wasi abrante for the Samuel Rich wasi akadema Torino wadi abrante ne bam oba besi akan ede ma AC Milan bobo kuno na no pato ready thing enso ne Simeone Inzaghi ya manager ede ma Inter Milan bobo kuno wasi the players ne prepare anya some ketro the game against Parma Crono wasi omo hwasa abrante for Lautaro Martinez obetuma fit etuma si akade ma Inter Milan bobo kuno wasi abrante for the Dancer Dumfries out Marco Arnautovic already thing ane Federico Di Marco Munyano omo hope say sa two players no mo betuma to no bom abrante for the Piotr Zelensky no nya so ye fit Nicolo Balena also anya fit and for Sani also anya fit no mo hwede bo say na me atom betuma recover by best 16-17 play for the game against Parma now for the me atom betuma prepare the Etiam e Bamon Chubo kuro UEFA Champions League game to dey kakra I don't know pedo so ba yen wetuma ete ababu ye tuma tere so na abotwafo wa ha ye babetin komoba bi piasom etuma ko enya samketo kredebom me pachoba be fa we enfanta to say FIFA Coca-Cola ranking na babetoja na me baba ya first time na hwese Ghana wo mu a na bibia tuma ko yem enso ede ama wa wutie Sompa 93.1 FM pachobo fam to TV so ama ye eti FIFA Coca-Cola ranking no enie Argentina for the kind Spain for tosumienu France etosumiensa England tosu 9 Brazil tosu num Netherlands tosu nsia afe Portugal tosu song anafe Belgium tosu oche Italy tosu kron anafe Germany tosu duna Ghana yewo eti first time anymore okay eti mi patramo hwe bia Ghana die na afe mun trace ye bia na communion no wo mo tosu be de watche what ase de enko yanim na bia enko mi patro ma me foto de se wo pe bi asa wo yade a aya ko 21st clinic what ase 21st clinic super fantastic heavy and just some keto more than 15 branches across Ghana enti wataruma mi patro to asinti no etwetwe na so sisia me patrociatic and else and a patch say stroke and bonkai to not pay pomode some ubetuma robot 21st clinic na fe me patro waba beju ayara sa wo mu ye super papa ja some ketoko ya so body di akra okotokron kaso da na fe bi piasom etuma ko so tamenti na no pay ya debia do crew bia no robot 21st clinic na me patro brabeja ya sa no na fa dance de ko ne ko kacho bi sampa wo ya de na bu ko no ko 21st clinic na mo ye sciatica expert ja some ketokra the patch bano machine any massage treatment ya boy homote powder fe bano ya lap and fe scan service the patch room e 21st clinic na fe waba bejo ya sakaba na bibia eso etoma ko yentaba na water room patch ya tenesa wo pomocha kwan e wo kumasia dia ya wo ehwa atapraka overseas junction abo ya cha kwan obuase court junction udrakra the patch dobe market na fe uromo techiman in Kransa sunyane bebia obetru bia takwade takwade Obiase 21st clinic heavy any in come 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Yahuma ubetuma for 21st clinic na fe biaso etuma ko etaba be patro time help Mr. wo jaso unya biado nom na for malaria mo no eso edwane na what attends to the swaba be patro malaria ka wato no pay asa wato asa so do untimi ni di waposo yo ya malaria and a house pobote so sebetuma ka time help Mr. No pedabu bobi na time ba Mr. no we the binu no me na me catch say bema me say ube jasu to say nya some good talk your password as your be clear e boost your immune system no ya debia enta with the pedremo e be pia na fe with tata say so ba masa unya time ba Mr. nya some good talk 120 nya some good talk member be to no piano o sabeka bi o padudu atu 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 Yahuma ubetuma for time heba Mr. Afei bi patro no pay me the way at the edge abudwafo tata na fe yakuanim me patro dial star 426 star 6 hash no umiaso a me patro o lucky bosses ne beba no watusu de opɛ 5 Ghana cedi pɛ na wacha no wadi ubetuma di pɛ more than 5 billion old Ghana cedis me patro mega cash lucky boss everywhere me the business kan na mu anya seketwa enti me patro mo fa mo phone sisi ai wo 20 Ghana wo so a Kennedy unya 18 years amen ko ho e regulated by National Lottery Authority me patcho de tell say o dial star 426 star 6 hash no miaso a no choose lucky boss no choose lucky boss ne pair na watcha instant results obo say what depend na cash you receive na baba top phone so kama na what did na bibia yetaba ko so daba mega cash lucky boss every woman in piano se kan na mu anya sabke to prince want to say bibia boko
let us trade am ponyanko pa daroma bibia de na ko bibia de na
fele bibia boko de more fire apostle bibia boko an important game basso and apostle say Chelsea thought was an important game.
A game of flops.
Okay, that's it.
A full form.
Because
Prince. Now said the apostle demo dear. Or Casper now supporting. Prince, are they?
Look, facts are facts. Chelsea and Tottenham Hotspur right now, they are not in their best form. Oh, come on. Don't say Chelsea is competing for the top 4. But usually, we all know that by this time, Chelsea, Damra Man City, Arsenal for top half as Liverpool.
And person will be a problem. Oh, they're too soon.
The work can create, but my first game nation.
Oh, they're too soon.
My first game nation.
Now, say, when you apostle, you had to, if you are more, you had
to. I didn't know credit.
Oh, you see, a hospital. Chelsea, come on, please.
Oh,
that's a third-rated match as we speak now in terms of the
apostle. Apostle body bay.
Oh, and your body, please.
Yo, later, I never come on who say it do be you don't want to accept the reality. The reality of the matter, they say Chelsea of old, men can't actually. Chelsea almost starting lineup. Ubenya, listen to this. Peter checking goal post. Ubenya John Terry, Gary Cahill, Branislav Ivanovic, David Luiz, Alex. Ubenyo obi to say Ashley Cole. These are players. You come to the midfield. Maybe you come to the midfield. You get. Oh, better make Chelsea as same man. Chelsea, we know support you. Oh, Chelsea. How do you say you
support Chelsea? Yeah, you were free.
I am apostle. I can be no crazy. Say unko. Oh, that's the reality. Because here, no, so far air teams are number Michael Essien, more Lampard, more Ramirez, Raul Morales, more the likes of Juan Mata, Cesc Fabregas, up front to Benya Diego Costa, more. These players, Honoma, look at the ene. Only say Chelsea player be on Ube Hiana particularly be available, with the exception of Obia, Romeo Lavia. I know the key player about one communion and Kebabua. I want you available. Listen to this. Chelsea player be on Behi and be available. But only so almost starting lineup. Robert Sanchez na Badapu, Marco Correa, Ubenye Bia Rhys James, and answer Malu Gusto. Echionom, where they obviously for finally Vico and Ababo. Listen to the names. You come to the midfield, Enzo Fernandez, Moises Caicedo, and then Kopama Domenim. Oko Enimu Honoma, the almighty Nicolas Jackson is back. Pedro Neto, Jadon Sancho. Almighty. Say dear. So most Chelsea fans they will pray not Chelsea, bre. And these are the team Chelsea new on. So frankly speaking, if you are talking about Chelsea and you say Kabi be born their form home, the reality is that the team has dropped deeply on way to 10. And on the other side, Tottenham Hotspur, you see, these are two teams that they are not in their normal air shape or form. Adeba Kwan, a fat Tottenham Hotspur who say hard journey. With Papa Fernandes Postecoglou, Obe take over Tottenham Hotspur. He started very well. Let's not forget last season. Why in this season because we saw the injury situations at Totuomo, Christian Romero, April prior near there, Omo Bre at a point in time a league in the Beconerie. And fifth no Mudi meant me in the top form. But he's one particular coach, I think it's adaptation a problem the man. You see, where he was coaching, different from the Premier League, and he needs to understand that. Coaches are more identity, always with them. A bit is said Jose Mourinho, a bit is said Pep Guardiola. Judging club more. When you go to a certain league, you need to adapt to the style of the league. Pep Guardiola, one and about tiki-taka saying. Pep Guardiola, he's one particular coach. Ni days at Barcelona, or they call Bayern Munich. Problem Okonya Bayern Munich now was these things. On Pep players are more robust. Defenders or more ball, on the top from no more ball. Midfielder the same thing. But when he moved to the Premier League, the first season he couldn't compete. If you want no, and you know, I just have video. Rodrigo Cascante Modi or Mababo. Did he not go in for a branch friend Ruben Diaz? But Tama, Pep Guardiola, or Barcelona, and Kobe Ruben Diaz. No, Who wouldn't be thinking about Ruben Diaz? Or better players are born at Dominayan or Metimiaboni. That is why Oba Manchester City, no, the first defender then in the Abro on John Stones from Everton. Because John Stones is the ideal player. Pep Guardiola and the philosophy in here. At centre back or the born better from Abo. Into Oba, no, Nicolas Otemeni Muna went to Mangu. Eleakun Mangala, so Kaino Mangala. Omino Chomuguye. Satam na Fernando Munina or Mocho Munina. He wanted, to translate his style of playing into the Premier League. But who said once Sunday maybe a M1 year. So he adapted and decided, say, me flare ne beba, but I will need to get some players or more that kind of mentality. Drew the more than or met me abo bugeni bi diabwa. Or met me making sure said they will stand toe to toe with the opponent. Pep Guardiola adapted, and right now, where the records are making the Premier League, you cannot even talk about it. But Papa friend Ange Postecoglou, he's not adapting to the league. Look, you cannot always decide say about one style of play, whether it is going well or not. Last season, okay, on Chelsea, that game at Chelsea showed by 4 goals. No, it was or the 2 red cards in that game. Still now, when I just saw Obebo Highline attack, you don't do that. You don't do that. You try to manage games. Arsenal be this season, when they got a red card, Omo could defend it. Was it against Liverpool? Omo defended here to me ball draw. People were lambasting Papa Femi Kalateta. You expect Arsenal, a 1 man down, to open up and decide, say, you need a team can say, and boy, and so see a Peliga Jinti. You could be na, you could be near share 4 or 5 and any day. You try to adapt to the situation, but there's a man, Ange Postecoglou, he's not adapting. And then only had the hano. And the players need pra. Instead of him say, or more hano, no better okay, wait, this is the suitable position, this is the style of play. And the formation, by the tactical approach, Benham, the game, he's not adapting to that, he's not doing that. Tembian or Qua, or Bonnet said the 1 year Christian Romero, any Mickey Van der Veen, Moetro. But meanwhile, be a Ben Davis, any a branch of financial green age natural. How can you play at your grand Ben Davis like Mickey Van der Veen, Christian Romero? It can never work. And today's man is really suffering. And who baby or Dana Emwa. But today, Chelsea said the mechanic almost all the Arsenals will be here back. And I'm not expecting Chelsea to also lose in this game. Because even in recent times against Tottenham Hotspur, and Nkuyu, Chelsea is having the upper hand against Tottenham Hotspur. And I'm expecting Chelsea to yet again at home win this game against Tottenham Hotspur. Now, Enra, Atletico Madrid, any Barcelona game, Nebaso. Look, let me tell you something. This Barcelona team or Papa friend Hans Dieter Flick on you so robust air players on the team name. Not to say so on your money bill. Because we will be to say, should I even say Ronald Araujo, one robust defender. You come to the midfield, they be about Gavidin. You get the whole point. And Inigo Martinez somewhere somehow also a robust. But clearly we feel say this season, aside the injury of Ronald Araujo, even though Prakoba and Ecuador, Papa friend Hans Dieter Flick and Penny Bono. Inigo Martinez were making sure say obey shape out that kind of aggressive nature no if Inigo Martinez move, because we also Inigo Martinez before coming to Barcelona now one of the most dirtiest center backs now Inigo Martinez can home or making a lot of dirty tackles or making sure say always he goes into tackles with the full body. But about Barcelona, how many times they who said no whenever he's going into tackles so making sure say obeko clean no acquire any ball just like Paul Kubasi Edemano. And in Fifi Gavi Prakobaye, he's not getting much of playing time. And even to Obokrana, clearly you feel say Gavi has a style of play. Under Javi Hernandez, na clearly say Gavi is a born than a form. No be a boss shot called timidity but right now Gavi is reducing that. Papa friend Hans Dieter Flick was shaped Barcelona team into a former. Believe you me, they are the best team in the world. They are the best team in the world. Let's be realistic. Right now, Barcelona are yet. Once I this season, Madrid, I think 3 trophies, right? Barcelona are yet. But let me tell you this. Barcelona is the best team in the world. No doubt about that one. With what they are doing.
Come again.
Barcelona is the best team in the world. I don't need to explain. When can you hear explanation there? But let me explain to you. So what game there that's now? This I didn't against Atletico Madrid game no. Barcelona is having a player obey me about as a deep line playmaker. Obey create chances from within Barcelona turf. And if you pass where Pedri, Edema Rafinha, a clear ball from on one own half. And where Barcelona is having someone like that. And who are many more who are always Barcelona attackers no, they are always looking for each other. 80% of the time Barcelona attack bi nya ball onye na je so no ekwa akoshe or shete ni player eda baabi ya obe pass ya ma no. And to look at this pass from Lamine Yamal, and now obi an share air pass we are the man air Ferran Torres and ko betimi akati in as an ideal winger. Lamine Yamal betimi akati in, but then no decided so obey. He decided to lay on the pass to a player or in a good position. And not the ball network in him. You see the point here. So the teamwork of Barcelona is the exceptional tenor. Amo so very incredible and good this particular season. Look at this pass. And come to me akatin because here na space about be them FIFA no akobon a shot, but he decided to lay on the pass. Always it here. Now look at this pass yet again. Though said this one, I think say oment me and connect here. No, oment me and connect here. But clearly you see that kind of teamwork. Wage ball now, person family nipa do original year. And this is what is helping Barcelona. Clearly, and to hear the Makate, this was the one Abrante friend Rafinha a little bit selfish. Way pet. But if you look at that one, or you just saw Bobo Nashe, now could bet me a pass then they are to one. And you saw her any. Clearly, who won't say, boy, they're not pass here and Kebe. But how many times any who Barcelona players are or mere this selfish? You see how it is. So, frankly speaking, right now, there's no better team in the world for me than Barcelona. And I am feeling, say, no, possible see bet many 3 Clasico finals. 2 the other and the Champions League, so possibility no. It's not there yet, but possibility no. And just like I said the other time, maybe a Madrid fan, but last season was for Real Madrid. In every Air Clasico, be an Madrid never sabebo be no be him say Madrid be winning. But this season, ties not shifty be Barcelona ho. And she said Barcelona and Madrid they will game no munyam boy. Clearly going into the game, you know say Barcelona for be winning. And in fact, because of how many games of won this season, and then the wins, and how dominant Barcelona for Real Madrid. So, and frankly speaking, I feel very good for Bubukwa, you're from Barcelona. Almost said any exceptional players be brave, but because of how team no bonding near Juma, because of Metro you go Martinez and Pakubasi. And some years down the line came more Mudimpo, but the other ones are more shared to them. Leandro by the former Sapike, Julius Kunde. This is a player and can you quite see a bonny declass Eden better best number 2 for him. But he is there. So frankly speaking, I think the Barcelona team now is very, very good. I remember Nasso, but Yami had much now. Cristiano Gintoli at the end of Juventus, never be the home. Okay. They say no Juventus na team was spending most our agents from. Never be the home
Thank you very much. Honorable member Father Braka, thank you. Thank you. Your point is well made. And it's that said you Muhia Doneke Barmester. Doneke Barmester. Ababa system where you ding premature calculation be ye through the patro one come passwa for Fred. Now the common put a sack of quedia barbody. Now a munato, what you say. Now want to be near Jumano. Bema di utrum paswa. I was so to be rura near from Mura. I was set o Bemani Peja, a timid chair. I was say, Daddy at Yasin Jabano. Now bing. Enti Doneke Barmester kwa. And a bit mama Beman a bang the wet to naso. Oh, yeah, Bema, Doneke Barmester. Now, Meso Trum Paswa, Obeas careful. I bet the Pele Obeas careful Vinicius Junior. What I said, what to my Bojuma Pampolupa. Abosukum de Ratina Copong. Doneke Barmester. Doneke Barmester, no thing. Nyasam Keto continue be. Na me patronom. Na Meso Trum Paswa. He, Bema, na Obano Ko. Oba what fa obaga ukọ adwuma no obo se oba na tia se akire obo nsam tete mia me bodaba what ase na se beba wontima nya adwuma no ye nya Doneke Barmester na fa dan se ne bra what ase na me se wutrum paso a ye bobo aba so pa ba be pia so etima koye enso edama nya asem keto akranti me patro Diamond Scientific Research and Alternative Medicine Hospital womo ena di Doneke Barmester na ba Dr. Esau and I don't permit you na SEO and I don't permit you panya sakra me patro me mo be a ton no piano on sabeka become a pa ba be pia so etima koye diama Fred Dr. Esau ewa wo so 0246 727677 0246 727677 obi onya Doneke bi dey do what answer Philip want to say
Yamiadum.
Yeah, you call him come here.
When you say if you are being in the Ajipaya apostle, I the most happiest person or man in the house, apostle.
Say the same.
The near Jichi will be
say the same.
The way and manner Barcelona is going. the way in man Barcelona is thriving. I'm in near GA pa. No, I'm starting off in Turkey and say me we England. Now, what got the city of Istanbul? You were the Asian side and the European side. Now, the city of Istanbul now is the capital of Turkey, no. The Asian side, and no, now Omo club a friend of Fenerbahce. Now the European side, the team now friend Galatasaray. But Omo no ya fra no, Besiktas. The city of Istanbul, no, there were about 4 major clubs, but 3 are the grand sisters or the Otre Grande of Turkish football. Omo war Asia, unze a country na friend Turkey Nangaza. Omo a Muslim that is country.
Yeah.
Omo Muslims. Most of them like that is the nature of Turkey. But then no, it is in the continent on the continent Europe. Asia that is Turkey is in Europe. But Turkey no, ne parts be Asia. And parts na wo Asia no, one na Fenerbahce ni base. And parts na wo Europe no, one na Galatasaray ni base. But omo no mo ya frafra no, omo nye Muslims, omo nye Christians, omo belong to any. Omo no mo ye from Besiktas. That is the explanation to the 3 clubs. And there is another emerging force from Istanbul Basaksehir. But mo na iso musika na saka krenti no, omo adepe kakra. Now guess what? Jose Mourinho boy enra against Fenerbahce in the Turkish Cup. Now in the Turkish Cup no, once this season in the league, both legs Mourinho to me and share team my friend Galatasaray. Both legs no, Galatasaray share Jose Mourinho 3-1 the first leg. Now return leg no, going into that game. Now Galatasaray formed that DP, but Jose Mourinho couldn't even couldn't win that game, and most of we the pundits thought it was the moment that Jose Mourinho bet Senegal against Team Galatasaray. But return leg, ended 0-0. And it was that time that Jose Mourinho echo racist comments towards the coaching staff and the players of Team SK Galatasaray. And ready and I know shit. And ready see any. Jose Mourinho a match. It was Victor Osimhen share 2 goals no. And Victor Osimhen Jina name share 2 goals against SK, that is Fenerbahce. Now you real match na ye kono. Jose Mourinho or see coach na friend Okan Buruk mintie o ma wonko. Into what he did was so Okan Buruk hwinmu. I say so no hwim no opiano. Na Okan Buruk to fam. But that is the incidence. Reincidence no. Jose Mourinho ene Okan Buruk. Into no when ball Okan Buruk ball from no. Post match presser. Now Okan Buruk express the displeasure at what Jose Mourinho Now in the post match presser no, this is the comment from Okan Buruk. There was nothing between me and Jose Mourinho. This is professionalism. See, there was nothing between me and Jose Mourinho. Many you now see a video you say Jose Mourinho eko so papa e friend Okan Buruk win. Or said there was nothing between me and Jose Mourinho. He pinched my nose from behind. There was a slight scratch. Of course, it wasn't a very nice or elegant thing to do. That is Okan Buruk. We expect managers to behave more appropriately in such situations. I won't exaggerate this issue, but it wasn't a classy move. That is the thought from manager from Okan Buruk. And this Okan Buruk, no biakeko. Mesra Sompa the year 2000. Picture of Okan Buruk on TV no Sumami. This is UEFA Super Cup. Now the difference between Galatasaray and Fenerbahce and say Galatasaray and Fenerbahce no. Fenerbahce you're from Galatasaray omu nickname you're from Avrupa Fatili. Now Avrupa Fatili no we explain it by English you're from the conquerors of Europe. Adia the only Turkish club awaji European trophy Galatasaray. Until that, anytime a Galatasaray ebe share Fenerbahce biano, Galatasaray fans almost Fenerbahce for a mumbo bra. Tienye pa. So when omunya nickname Avrupa Fatili, it was in this year 2000, and that fight Super Cup you almost share Real Madrid. Omoji UEFA Super Cup. Omoji UEFA Cup. Now Real Madrid get Champions League in the year 2000. Now a final. The final was played at the Parken in Copenhagen, Denmark. And so I started with them Monaco in that is France. Ye match no. Na Real Madrid they lose 2-1 to Fenerbahce. And that Fenerbahce team no had the greatest. Until date, it is the greatest in their history. They were coached by the legendary Mircea Lucescu. And Mircea Lucescu team no, the greatest player Romania who George Hagi. George Hagi was the leader of that team. They had Mario Jardel. They had Claudio Taffarel, Brazil's great goalkeeper. Claudio Taffarel was the number 1 that time for SK Galatasaray. And they had number 7 jersey no, Okamburuk. And Okamburuk, after winning the Super Cup, or catch in the fans and said one day he will come back as a coach. And they all know coaching for a Galatasaray. And this year, the Ashi Mourinho partner say, Fenerbahce for Jose Mourinho buy say, Jose, come and win us the trophy. Come and break the dominance of Fenerbahce and Besiktas. Not J trophy of Galatasaray and Besiktas. Not J trophy in my. This is Okamburuk. When I know you're a player, and this is the time I know you coach. He was a player for Galatasaray. And it was the moment this scene and to say, I will coach this club in future. And no coachy and this season, we share Mourinho 3 times, Mourinho winning back cry. The best of Mourinho I draw. And the Pemina Apostle didn't come as a win him the course on the trim. And then of course with the trim. Mourinho to more Camburuk say. He said he's losing constantly, no. He Mourinho Minu him so a bad loser. When he loses, or you'll be or one person on pay lose. And when he loses, he will do everything to steal the spotlight. And then losing no Bianca wants him. The amount for wants him had a pinch. No, quite and the Okoso him now or born too firm no. And the amount for wants him. So that everybody will forget about the Super Cup, the Turkish Cup. So Bianca wants him cry. And Jose Mourinho has won over the fans already. Say no, Jose Mourinho will be fined. And Omba banning as well. Already this season. Where is Sky that finding Jose Mourinho? 35,194 pounds. That is the amount they are finding Jose Mourinho. That is unsportsman behavior alone. Now aside that, since currently there are 4 separate incidences, and amount for Busa say Jose Mourinho they say all you will take say other league bianco be sana because I say we find a take for us as a leg of football on crown they've still not arrived. But come what may, guess what? This is a nation at the World Cup. You call more countries or more brother World Cup. Baby, I won't mind a friend Portugal. No. Baby, I'm with Drew. Take it for Drew open. South Korea 2002. Japan and Korea 2002. Take it were bronze medalists. Taking a year Senegal film. What can you harm and seize? No go no share. No. It was Turkey. Take your do semi-finals of the World Cup. Had it not been that so goal scored by Ronaldo, and can take you finals of the World Cup. And they've seen it all. And Okamburuk was part of that team, that golden generation. And it was Senor Gounier who led that Turkish team to the 2002 World Cup. And so Jose Mourinho, the oil will take his say, I say, it looks like France and cry, baby, bottle. And Fenerbahce take care for them to win a trophy. That is the Turkish team of 2002, led by Rustu Regba, the goalkeeper, and Hasan Sas, one of the famous and finest Turkish footballers, Emre Belozoglu, and again, Umit Davala. That was Turkey in 2002. Their team was super. Until date, Minjindi, current generation of Mobano, Kerem Aktokoglu, Orkan Kochkumu, Omo Yomodie, but at the Gula Mo Yomodie. I'm out for praise at the Gula Sahaba, bra. You heard this team. Me heard this team. I won the Turkish team of 2002. You're a Turkish team of 2002. Into taking your come on bra at the World Cup. Take your bra. Into Jose Mourinho on mellow, on slow down kakra. I say, I don't know. He's a bad loser. Or Lucibia or finding fault. Now this season in the league already no Galatasaray lead, already in the league 71-65. Obiabo they say I say Jose Mourinho won outstanding match. Fortunately for Mourinho, Galatasaray Lucy last week came at Besiktas, and now boy Jose Mourinho is saying. Into the Mourinho winia Obeko 68. Now we're limited the gap to 3.
Okay.
That is the next game. Now aside that, when Galatasaray edge the Europa, the modern day Europa League, against Arsenal. Arsenal got the finals of the Europa League. That is the then UEFA Cup in the year 2000. And when my mom say a penalty, on when the Galatasaray ball, there some chances, they couldn't win. But on penalties, it was Patrick Vieira, who kind 1998 World Cup a top scorer. That was Suka.
Yeah.
Omo say penalty.
Okay.
And you know, na Galatasaray winning 4-1 on penalties against Team Arsenal. That Arsenal legendary team, Robert Pires, Sylvain Viltod, Thierry Henry, name them. It didn't do so. And Arsenal couldn't win the title ahead of SK Galatasaray.
Okay.
In the say there, El Cosu will take in it there. Bra, I know she. Mourinho to. And me the real cry. They say, okay, take your mom with steely spotlight. African brothers. Message for the top scoring charts into so just quick one. No, you heard here. The top scoring charts in Turkey. As it stands, the African brothers are leading the top scoring charts in Turkey. No, he said Victor Osimhen and Kwashe 20 goals.
Yeah.
Ono leading the pack.
In all
There are guys.
28
Say,
goals.
Victor Osimhen has 20 goals. Ono leading. There is another African interest, Simon Banza, signed from Braga in Portugal. And they about Trabzonspor. On also has 17 goals. And there is Youssef En-Nesyri, the boy from Morocco.
Yeah.
Youssef En-Nesyri has 16 goals. Now, aside that, there is another player, Mami Thiam, from Senegal. Obo Eyüp Spor. On also has 4 goals. In terms of,
goals.
they say we have comparative analysis of all the leagues in the world, and I say the major leagues in Europe are African brothers in their bank goals. We are always in the picture.
Apostle, Pacho Twaso. Apostle Pacho Twaso.
The reality is that me can say we are the best team in the world because we are the modest. The truth of the matter is, and then
Okasa Basa the best team in the world.
Me say yes, that is his assessment on the evidence of Nema Ekoso. That's his assessment. What do I say? Now on Kobeka say Basa then, how will you describe Basa now? One can say your estimation.
Maybe I'm mean to describe him.
This is hard to save you. But America Cup Confederation Cup. Now, interesting games, but clearly, like I've said years ago, this cup will always be won by the North Africans. And it's going to take a lot of years or decades for Uyi Ebia TP Mazembe. You hapa because of the quality investment. Now, Stellenbosch is the first time Omudu Adamu is a big achievement for them. Very big achievement for them. They are a small team in South Africa. They are not a big team in South Africa. So for them to get this far, big deal. Now, who bought against the defending champions? IS Zamalek. That is a tall order. The defending champion this year, Maka, say Zamalek, RS Bekani are likely. Just say ABR, BBC are likely to do a final again. And you know they've done 2 finals. The 2 finals, or Zamalek has beaten RS Bekani. But whether the 2 of them get to the final again, either USM or just to try to breach is a different group. And football experience, our the competition will be very important. Look, Enra, they had how many chances? They had 2. Very good chances. Clear cut. They had that chance, but the clear cut ones. Now, Cupido is inexperienced 23-year-old. A chance as Sonia Butredi 2 net more, he blew it over the bar because Mohamed Awad opened the body. And Mohamed Awad is the 3rd choice goalkeeper for the Pharaohs of Egypt. You have a situation where Delvin Titus, Sunya the same. He from the left also wasted a chance. Now, in such competitions against a defending champion in the quality, and you understand Mahmoud Hamdi. Mahmoud Hamdi has played the national team for over 7 years. And now show leadership with Osam Abdelgamid. They show leadership, and Ahmed Fetou. Ahmed Fetou is also a member of the Egyptian national team. And constantly, they deliberately do that for you to understand the quality of the players involved. And now they've played very well. Unfortunately for them, Timer, Sefedin Jaziri had opportunity. Sebio say Bibio. And now, sometimes football name a woman does.
Yeah.
And I want that would have been the only goal. But what Zamalek what Zamalek wanted was to make sure that they are able to get the draw there. For Cairo there, I can tell you that Stellenbosch, yes, a score draw, but trust me, with Zamalek at home, that Stellenbosch are there. Second leg coming up, but trust me, they are already out of the competition. Zamalek will move to the next team. El Masri, even last year in the competition, El Masri were doing well. And they've now And it was very beautiful game between El Masri and Simba because they end-to-end action. It was a game full of dribbles, skills, passing, missed shots. And Simba, Sebi, me sure Sanope will be disappointed in themselves. A game that they played that they have 7 shots on target, but they couldn't score. But the home team that are 2 shots on target. Good work by Abdurrahman Demouni. Beautiful goal. And then Okoye to be the Nigerian international at the second. But they had chances. Kevin Dennis, chance on a beautiful chance. Dami Mohammadi wasted a chance. Kevin Dennis again had another chance. Jean Ahui had a chance and missed. Elias Kapambu had a chance and missed. Fabrice Ngoma had a chance and missed. Kagoma had a chance and missed. So, say you are up against an Egyptian side. Me can say Mohamed and Saleh side did very well in the midfield, but they had clear-cut chances. Again, goalkeeper Mahmoud Dad. Chances they could have buried, but they wasted all those chances. And this competition, someone who Emira so take with chances because it's about that. And you know how beautiful possible derby is about that. El Masri has proven that Sebiu and your ball no pass it near here saw the ball no be go, but they did that. So they are going to Dar es Salaam, Benjamin Nkapa Stadium for the second leg. That is they are going to expect 60,000 crowd there. How well are El Masri betting me defend the first 45 minutes because Sa Stadium when they are there, the BPAB. But whether convert the chances conversion is a problem for Simba. Creation is not a problem, but the conversion. Simba, they've always created. The problem is conversion. So that is what we now CS consistent any USM. It's the same situation CM consistent find itself. The same thing as Stellenbosch. In Algeria, when we are mentioning men, you don't mean CM consistent. Omunye mema. Odi say bear money team a wetim ya bob raji di papa. So when you are mentioning JS Kabili, Oka mema
GS Kabili.
A team doesn't want to hear. JS Kabili. Odi say obo mema. Obo sensitive. Odi say umo mema because they are 2-time champions. Then USM Orges. But USM Orges until recently, who said 2014 2015, USM just lost to TP Mazembe, the CAF Champions League final by 4-1. And 2 years ago, Ometimia be winning the Confederation Cup which they are playing now. So in terms of experience, they have experienced that, but then it was a great game by CA Consistent. Look, Abdemono Ahosini played a good pass, and then the ball went to Munde Temini for the first goal. But guess what? Kelvin Mudenko, a boy that has played for TP Mazembe for years, and he really did well as a leader of the team to get the equalizer that mattered most. It was unfortunate that Hassam Gachanya 2 chances for US Orges and wasted it. This game, the second leg, Orges home. Okay. That is bad one for CS Constantine. I think that US Orges have the opportunity to go through that one. Now, Isifu Dayus Bekane. Alaji Usifu Dayo, the captain for the Stallions of Burkina Faso, and the captain for RS Bekane. And only Adelta, he showed leadership, bringing Adelta. Don't forget that we're winning cup with the team. And now showed leadership. And Mamadou Kamara yesterday and Yassine Labiri, the 2 midfielders. Mamadou Kamara, 22-year-old Senegalese player. One say Champions League, 3 Senegalese playing for Hilal. So the Senegalese player, while they are dominating in Europe, they are dominating also on the continent. And then Mamadou Kamara played so well. The moment came when Ryan had to add that only goal of the game. They controlled defender. What they did was that they were not committing much men forward. They were playing very tight and making sure counter-attack. And then opportunity came and Ryan scored the goal and that's it. So one said we have 5 North African teams in this stage. And they'll 2 of them will go to the finals and 1 will win. That's it. There's nothing you can do about it. It's going to continue because someone said, has to focus on 2004 to for the Virgin Cup as we always call it. And and you realize that 2005 Dolphins went to the final and lost. Then you come back to 2009, Stade Mali, Etienne Sportif, a win here. So that's the second time a West African team has won. Then beyond that, you have Dolphins, Joliba. Dolphins win here 2012. So they are here.
Yeah.
After that, TV Mazembe is not part of it, but TV Mazembe, and the 2016 beat Emo Bejaya, 2017 Super Sport United. Since then, yeah, Beres up to there. They have dominated. So there's nothing you can do about it.
Apostle, so are we going to have North African semi-finals?
Well, if you look at it,
Stellenbosch,
Zamalek be qualify.
Zamalek,
Masri,
Constantine,
question Kakraba, but they are looking likely. USM Modges be qualify. Bekani. So it's looking like a North African semi-final, North African finals.
wow, Bekani, Masri, Constantine,
And I'm looking forward to maybe another third time Zamalek RS Bekani. How it's going to go? It's going to be very interesting. But clearly, this competition is a competition for the North Africans because we
Is it about money or what?
it's about one, money, investing, sustaining of players is still money because our quality player no be bomber wa. It's all making sure say what was for years and you extend his contract, you pay him good salary. Two is about getting the right people on motive football aside the money. So you need the right people to also understand football language. Football in casa and to young motive football casa nasi. Unse near parity and now casa hui. Nina kasa no. So at every point in time here near ma timia understanding planning. Ali ba ebe ball against media organa the down by more advanced party by before team no logistics somebody by car baku miesa. So they are here. So you need the money, no here the right people to understand what to do.
Oh, because they were almost dominating it.
They will continue to dominate.
They were almost dominating. I know they
will continue to dominate.
I was say West Africa team baby.
West Africa, Makatra Musa Muntimia Bibi say has over the Champions League 2000. And then you have Enyimba doing the back-to-back. After Niba 203, 204. And Enyimba, no, it was because of Dr. Kalu Oji.
Yeah.
What is here?
Yeah.
Because of the senator who decided to say, governor at that time said, this is what I want to do. Onuni Sika. Papa no yini Sika free Enyimba no. Enyimba has struggled till date. How many years? 21 years.
So the Africa is about money.
It's about the investment, and then on say, what can money or be able to Prince the $2 million be by the way. And you know, players no, more 2-3 years you want to keep them, you are adding more, you are extending contract. It's about the money that will give you certain longevity to be able to win the trophy. Honor some. So here West Africa, they are a year free. It will be difficult. That's why the Tanzanians are taking it's investment. Simba or $2 million one sponsor from Mbed. What he has just one. He has over $4 million a year sponsorship. So they are here. As an Nicaragua, how much sponsorship do they have a year? How much sponsorship do they have a year? How does Kotoko's budget every month? Has budget every month? Are they even able to pay this debt? What they are here?
Yeah.
How can Kotoko player and send me to coin aqua bridge? How can Kotoko say like Danani JDA Dr. Egis Abotami? 20,000 Ghana cedis. And then Team Mazembe said, I'll give $10,000. And he was gone.
Hey.
You say, hey. That's
$10,000 a month.
He was gone.
A month.
Yes, a month. He was gone. But in fact, the contract sum was even 20,000 Ghana to renew. And he said no. And he was giving this. So that's the major challenge.
Okay.
And Tobacco, you can't sustain it. Say, club be Basel, Prince Ayadepa, Befa Prince Aqua. My Prince Fort, and that is why Mr. Cherbe, formerly of Bricum Chelsea, that's what he was doing for Clotte. You know, Clotte initially, when the offers came, I saw man a car, I sent a car in dollars to make sure so what more about Champions League, no away and Sana. Can you do that? Me and
Mr. Cherbe, you know, that's the end of it.
Yes, or man a car, and now he was even paying me in dollars every month. Why not bet me today? On the look at him.
And we are not going to Africa. You need dollars.
No, you need dollars.
You need dollars.
You need hard cash.
Hard cash.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And you joke.
Okay.
Anyajo.
Apostle Dasepa. Kwesi Alonso say keep up the good work. Hey, messages no there. Obu Kwesi Alonso keep up the good work. Sir, wa may bear 1,000. Yeah, that's Nyankopon. So Gabriel Jampo, Sister Prince, the booking code. Okay. Yeah, twice when you way through. So Chelsea plays more corners than Tottenham Hotspur. Hey, are they? I inform for Douglas Bonnie better Chelsea. Okay, Joseph J. Owusu Casemiro say Chelsea against Tottenham Hotspur. Okay, one fadia kano anto so ye behwe na fe ye dia kano edi amamo kama na bibia timi akoyenti. Messages no ye mekai dem on in the meantime ye na ye won ye mra ye ba na ya to so edi amamo live on Sompa 93.1 FM ye bezie.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao after bet misses.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
Brady, and not so good.
Not all about me, she see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, don't this offending now.
Bra, and me cousin me the time about Misha one dancia, Ria singing now ever Timinka, 87 malaria, where drawn it time about Misha.
And you know, dear, no matter want to me any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and some of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
Kayo said time near TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than Ziba, a woman, never trap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a judging crotway at home.
Abusaka krakabi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me say abofrake to awanya 2 years aka dai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me abofrake to yim wana nipa ho hia dede bi koso anu ti kame ho ne ko hede won bia Expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be save abofra ba preocupe ne hu African Jax wo ba be save abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma nkeka na wo fam. Ana police me di one dance tell me say menye na me nson hwe. Na me so hwe no. A boosting immune system ama say me train na mente bre. Metimi di kama. Ama nkeka wo dwom so ekoso. Me kura so me ta yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko. Enye je na koso hwe. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Fa me kura chen. Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. A pin for any color mundi if you do me enom. FDA adjudging tatwe atu.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our drink be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause say you might for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana.
Suanamone, fastest sawo, wabusia, and won patamo asitinemu. But star 718 star 50 hash. Not the kaho says, yeah. Ghana Grows. Up Day. Ghana Grows Jumedie. Mastercard Foundation. Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation. Limehouse. Niwa Buafone Debro.
Mamisha, time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi. And ya what dropa. A draw say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonno a na the time HH herbal mixture e dia bejaso akra wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufo enso enum bi Time HH Herbal Mixture. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to a friend 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Herbal Mixture. A yedro say FDA agye edwadien kratwe atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Poku na obi ayenko baabie na oto do nsa suma no te se de yenko baabie.
Aha, nana kasache wadanfo no. Nansen, ommo no ho modin sempo. Wo mpem. Na se wan pedra, obekọ beba no, ne dan si wona nipa nim.
Nana, mayenko na menko penkohini ene nubina bi menu anom. So obai se wo ko. Die nkohini ne enubina. Ebra Donek Herbal Mixture ewo ho. Diamond Scientific Herbal for ene de aba. Eye mama dro papa. Ebo adwuma se, yesisi mu adwuma. Ene sa bo nkomo ho ban. Boost immune system. We die ko pebi to ba bi atonto adro pia na nya na. Ana akodom na se. Kuma se ne oboase kwantempo no so. One abort college ene de animhwe. Na china sese. Oh, obedi ho dance. We die nana me dase. Me duru ho da. Ago na Adiachi muda suda.
Hey, Adiachi, afeni ya sorry o. Ene wa man. We dia me dase. What solve me problem ya mama papa? Kai. We dia me nyanko.
Hey. Donek Herbal Mixture. Eye memedru. E manka ho. Obi a onya mfinhye du nwotwe so nka ho. Upebi ato afre 0246 727677 and 0200 844040. FDA ajeje den kra to yatum.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Trust Dama Life on Sompa 93.1 FM. Yes, Yenya Ajekum Blanson, Eke Orlando. Yes, so the West Yard Dressing Party, the call and team in the minimum. Nyasam good talk class or communion. T. Obaba trust na fe what the office have no early atoya so until I make catch us saying Kulu Ghana Limited woman no be Al Araba Basin ye ratina kopa one be frame say Araba Basin the boss no apono ama asiwo nyina nka anafa tete wo nyina hotba clear amo banama on the confidence and nante Araba Basin more fire nyabi na no mo ba ebedi wa kajabu pa na fe asewa ye kama nka body nyina be jai na fe wo tatanse de so ba afa wo ye beba so a na wanya Mr. Kill na Mr. Kill master droway wunya binu no ma osisi mu be den papa ona bobo se ba na twoboketema ha ono kwa ona ekono na se be ma osisi mu mre wuntimi mu adwuma mpato what ase wunya Mr. Kill de bia osisi mu be den premature ejaculation as will be ding and the papa so anya de pa me pacho pobode so benya Mr. Kill bi na wunya binu no ma premature ejaculation yem feso so what ase me flu so na fe wan kaso Sampa se de why bema won paso wona wo jonso so bi create me jonso no wo so jonso if you say when your problem e wo aya ne jonso twa no ho ti wunya hunchu capsules na no na bebo na fei wo jonso twa no problem wonya e wo mu bia no ne nyina so etima kokaba na fei won Sampa quality Chinese service I will set me kai and free Kulu Ghana Limited no bojuma pa nya sem keto kwanti gwataro ba member bi ton no bia no Pobote say ubetuma kope hunchu capsules Araba Basin Mr. Kill no one no let me be a tobacco so demo pedu to 0244275 429 0244275429 ahoma ubetimi afre kunu Ghana Limited afi woni perform aso estimate nkomo kama yas to paste yas to brush nyasa keto kra wonya to paste ni bi na afi wodi twitwe wo se wodi paste ya erade enka papa de befru wonu mu aba ena no da nyasa keto kra ko bi be kasa gomeso ye kamiye to ahwe me patro kore koyusu yas to paste ni blafe fetwitwe wo se ye wono emu ahodo makoma biensa ye wo yas herbal care ye wo yas total care anafe ye wo yas whitening toothpaste nyabi nefa paste mo boss no ban kama ama wo se ti nam na ye ding anafe wunya ne brush na ye wo nkra de wo emperifo de obia de wo bi ebebo ye skafo de berura ekire ayi fini nyina kama na afa wo sene so tema pai fita yas brush de bebi obefa bia onsa beka bi okọ shopping malls awodo afa provision shops awodo okọ horo nya okọ onsa so ebeka bi kama yas product bia papa etikoro kopel de na fa dance de so ebra afa ba me fa to de se obekọ na afa wakwakoji odin herbal bitters ye would almost say what one what yes na would so kama Odin herbal bitters and ye drop pa and no obo herbal and medical research center and a diaba and a afe wunya precare powder no so and boa boost to immune system no na ayi yade bia so de fini pediemu na tatansia ba me patron yade be do kro Romo Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center, Nyasam Ketokwa, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, stroke, asthma, me patroni na kwa obo, na shama wa okunchi anafe wabeti eya Ram ewo Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center na fe kone kwajuairasa na me catch so obo de wo bojuma pa Nyasam Ketokwa do dumanu ana abawu ye cha kwa nkransa odwa kware so obawu ye cha kwa na fe udru Accra Kaso official town Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center 0249761508 0249761508 Auma obetuma for Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center na for nimpere for eswetime din komo Orlando ejekum Blanson atrase Orlando se bibia bako de
latest
se bibia bako asantuma Ghana metio efisa my details nyanko
latest yema etiefo a etie Sompa 93.1 afin so yahwefo a ehwe Sompa TV akwaba embra full time ne so efisembre ene de bro ejekum Blanson Junior ubetimi afremi Orlando na latest unim se abato onim no na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene NDC amanyokwe no na omo campaign message ba ko pa ne se omo ba ya betting tax no omo ni se boys ne kakra enti ese omo ye no omo clear free on omo ba nso no omo de omo ba hye so omo de komra hye bedwafie ma mra hye bedwafo no agitumu na endra ene omo de the final document ne komo mampanyin se onfa ne hya elnensa enhya se na officially betting tax no ye nyimfiri on boys no Philip Nkum Samone se prince mu twa bet ne no mu dia omo nsa ka omo sika nyina ne ehwe ebra na omampani sign document no.
Now, this is the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to remove withholding tax on winnings from lottery, betting, and games of chance. This is the famous betting tax repeal bill. And so I'll assent to it, 2nd April 2025. So betting tax is gone. Now, this is the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to remove withholding tax on winnings from lottery, betting, and games of chance. This is the famous betting tax repeal bill. And so I'll assent to it, 2nd April.
Yes, Nigeria Abba boys in the muno. And yeah, Nigeria ketwa because we did 1,000 near 300, we did 2,000 200 near Chileno. Now 80 boys, but you know, Oman Penya the boys. Yes, only NDC Amanu Kuno.
Your man Penya, you know. I bet them Akuma so papa because on say
now ucha bet.
There be most
and ucha lotu
beba. Wadam for me this car no for seminia and then the enkoyo ti peka send me. Na ma send be 100 Ghana ni start the ye levy. What I say? Ni start the ye levy obi a ono no won this kana me send ka kamo dia to dwan ni start no.
see it today your money.
Auntie, I want to you live in a buy no. I want to you live in a buy.
No more de pro money. Little yen twas free on I ye betting tax in a free or say the and the house of folk. Any Nations FC, Ewo Tuba Arena, Ewo Kaswa, Central Region in Patemono. A Hona game no air basso. Now, yes, a game no, a Benya basso at 3 p.m. On say we no, a week 21, a standing games are clear. And a friend of matches in our course, win a ticket because of venues, so on sense, MTN. House of folk, I heard him say Bibia, and so Ebekoye, El Honomo. Now, wouldn't say House of folk at the cease on the league log and at Nations FC, Oma. There be a picture nankasa some of the spices kakre kan na de na yede enti no latest and so I don't know na endra matches are e course so e Ghana Premier League nim no na omumame Daniel Adrine Ejete Ejete goal celebration no omo emfama me yes Ejete one abrantia endra one nya winning goal no edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko right back edema Asante Kotoko no we no all share go ni we no frɛ abrantia your friend Justice Blay so on any what that rapport no training grounds and no friend no ba no see Blay e fan same way ono mo dey said ginem nani toro tara toro sa o baba na omo we no ene e coach ogum okobusa say coach omrante ne celebration no say na osifa hu no yente sema coach Prosper Natogum editu jafa hu.
These guys, when they come to training and they score goals, they do different things. Sometimes I stand and watch them because everybody wants to celebrate in his own way. As for we the coaches, we just stand and watch and also enjoy. So I also enjoyed it.
Okay, I know coach Prosper Natogum and it is San at 2 Jano. Now you say coach Saka Dauda mo line up by na branch and started but ye she game na se na Peter Akwamidu e dey na see a money free squad nim no ye ntie nsem o di 2 ya.
Okay, for Saka I think it was during the warm up he twisted the ankle, so he reported to the medical team. Quickly they did a physical test on him and he showed signs of pain. So quickly I was informed and then we decided that if that's the case then Peter should come in, and in fact he wept in the dressing room when he came. You know, normally I don't come out, so he came to meet me in there.
And to coach Echema Abrante ne twisting the ankle ebra omo ye warm up no and a money free game ni mas Peter Akwamidu ebe replacing you say the coach league no bedia away matches in so ya na hu here o na Asante Kotoko elbow away from home e na performance no chechem kakra kire.
When we play here, I think the pitch is good and it's big. In terms of organization, defensive organization, I think because the pitch is big, we are able to get it well. We are able to play well. When we go away, I think the pressure there is high because you go as Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the opponent feels that this is my home and you can't come and just walk over me and get.
Okay, Ntino, Dr. Prosper Natogum, Asante Kotoko head coach, and at the San Semino Tuja Efa or more away matches, you know, and so now unim black president. Yes, on said 1992 Ghana AFCON na Okahubi. Yes, Safu Jemfi. Ena ye busa nsem kakra se openi na se owura mu US wakwaba Asante Kotoko league no ko no so mo beje league no still na Asante Kotoko betimi age hana.
Oh, enu dia ye bon humpa enu dia bon humpa pa league title ne dia besi age age league ni age knockout no a FA Cup no a nanka aboa na ye de FA na ma ama obi ko I got Chelsea betting the amount. Has the Selmun Cato of Africa this year. Next year, has the Omu team no a year, but only say Ghana football no ana. Kakra.
And no, the black president, Safu Jamfi, Asante Kotoko legend, and so and I did San Semino to Jana little, and you went on or can you at that now. Dienti Asante Kotoko share 1-0 no. What mean not to do run with Bechem Ekoye no maybe a Cheneba. Yeah, the sound voice no ever bre for away from that na yanko Amankwamre Kunim so a legend Edema Asofok. And I think so see a kind Edema Black Stars no so kakra. Now or then some to draft for Asofok head coach. Bubaka Watara. Amankwa performance ye koye de mount ye. Yenti do the two ja.
Coach Juma Pa le training ground, and I think things are good training. Now coach church on the and then Juma was over there. Juma no, Juma. That's what I'm saying. And for me, yes, I mean I do my business no ebo mo mo dey no. And the fact is coach is Juma.
Eno Amankwamreku ene de sansam ne tudwa fa Hasofok head coach Bubaka Watara. Now coach Kimla ono ene kuta Black Queens no. Also muram was Senegal. Kodi be 9 days oho. O de squad na ba. Enti no mo mame squad no. Yes. Eno Cynthia Findip ena ono so eka obi na afin so Grace Banwa ono so eka Anastasia echa. Yes, ababa wo born home de pa. And I think so Justice Cheneboa uti ni wan abeka se bema nemu moyo ba. Justice Cheneboa osi akinde ma ampem da kwa ladies and ono nso awramu amanone. Portia Boache Princess Ousu Ernestina Abambila edinwe yemi deche dibia ogana ha. Ernestina Abambila and I think so Susana Dia Nina Noshe and I think so Zuma Bugiri Felicity Esuako and I so Jacqueline Ousu, Jennifer Kujo and Evelyn Badu, Josephine Bonsu, Patience Peterson and I so Sherifatu Sulaima and I so Priscilla Adobia any gifty Asefua and I so Doris Bodua any Princess Mafu inti we mona Coach Kimla ede omo enso eko na nim say unity game no there ebeba so London ti uni passport ha nentempa wape passport ede ato intino eno ene da ho no yes on the 28th Ghana ye ne Nigeria the pony one in London Montana so na ya sa kire omo say eba no ball ne dia ye ne ye ade ye chen ho mo intino ye wi na Trinidad and Tobago for no omo so ni Jamaica wa be wini no no wa be shia Ghana because tournament e there Ghana e be je trophy no. And so Eddie Abefie and also ends and now wouldn't say Kofi Uswa your book kakra or then some kakra to jar. If that Kofi Brekum Chelsea strikers see more performance and they say.
Oh, I'm not lacking on banana because I'm more bono. To say because be maba. Me who say I'm lucky, but then chances now. Yet to me and take it because they can take your chances now. Kessing to me now good.
Eno Kofi Usu ene de sansam ne tudwa na ezu say Kofi Asante Kotoko shemo na game no wan kasa hu ni say Asante Kotoko modern more na e wo soro na say brekumfo na no manye because amankona me po game no mo complain say referee na mo yentie de Kofi Usu kan
they all can dey no clear better side na win here because both teams no be our boy ninya ne say chances na ya o man taking but no ni say they said the previous who said obi ko obi home no esisie ne ayi no game we mu no na who ni say esi no better side na
Brekum Chelsea legends yes obi anti amankona mo na no mo ne referees ne ko no o mo hweye na Robert Dabu akasa fa Ghana ye pitches ne ho o say enye ye pitches ne ha adwene Dabu
Encouraging some pitches na na ye ni good pitch bia back even here 1 billion na ye as baba yare no he jakwa na say enche danye so say ulu so ana say obi obodo man fan ko set pitch ye bia tactics ana say game plan na amfa any something about the pitch
no enso Robert Dabu and the Sansam no tudwa na ye kono Zakaria Fuseni on the captain de Brekum Chelsea or the apology kakrama Brekum Chelsea supporters so omo ba no omo hye ombo se omo be 3 points o baba ya amfa ti original team na name no apa o match
well they did kind of if I akonya we so na I say sorry to supporters na because yeah, but the problem is almost say you want to take 3 maximum points in the amount, but the Yakopon pen or football and so on. I think say threaten say no could can kind of either you win, you lose, or you draw. Say no can be side no correct. Many strikers be bravo and then share kotoko strikers and so I think say we are equally good. Obia Omamo starting Obia very good.
You know, Zakaria and Apache, no, we not had two just a strikers no more day because we share strikers, baby. Kwame Pokumuno, ya dia better more Mokrabeka on any Fediagro. Now let us make call Unimzen China birthday no, ye dini kama. Gideon answer, yeah, Miami ni paki kaboom. So okay, can hoka craggy can no ma boom man. And to Gideon the Kakrabai, me di birthday no. Tiano Pedia me chia Gideon. Yes, and I said Nipanya Danu Mijana, I just share one carry. And I know you J bribe can see how be a guy. It's all J. Latest, where the or see me birthday or the mommy. So we do the no catch them. Oh, they.
Sir Prince ewa Jabira Bank say oya babawa na say opeso ukuru adwuma tumpon na abusua ne sika bemu a oso so tumi bibi na wo de ta bema na chi tina obapa loan no aba ewo Jabira Bank oya adwuma wo any recognized institution bia wo Ghana ha wo the opportunity so betumanya loan ewo Jabira Bank nti obapa loan scheme no ye adwuma pa na asem keto akra na wo ye businessman esa wo niema every eposo ababesi na wo hia sika de yi niema na mese ni Jabira Bank for enton sada for bunya adwuma free say Jaben de basa be bia wo hia bia obeko bia no Jabira Bank beta wachi na fe watimi ayi wo de free mu kama pa ana fe wo ye bojwa na opese wadwuma mu trepa no ne se obi account wo Jabira Bank ya be mo abosia na fe wo de attach adwuma ni mu afi fixed deposit e frɛ no ahotoso pa loan and so Jabira Bank de ba utimi gya so kwa saje loan kama pa enya asem keto akra ope yet the best rural bank of the year with part 2023 Jabira Bank enya asem keto akra no mu ni nkomo 0544745856 0544745856 eya homa betra friend Jabira Bank Joshua Fomena anasa Fumesha Sepeti Mpom Roma Hill at the New Road Baby obefe bi obi ase Jabira Bank nya sekretary ko Joshua Nua obehu ye cha kwan enso eho na afi Roma Hill baby a eye Jabira Bank Prince twaso de amaye Sir Prince
Pacho Munkazanche.
Omo boy yemu ho.
Munkazanche Philip mama.
Omo boy yemu ho.
Enye so omo bo
yemu.
Omo hye me yem blues.
Enya hwe.
Openyi.
Abaso say.
Niam a hye ne be bo no.
Nipa wo bobo me yem. O say bie man kamanso wonka.
Na wo be kan obi we. Na wo na ade a wo ji share we gra no. E ho ansam ba say my di.
Oh no ne there.
He didn't even present it at least to show say BBC.
Hey, Openi.
Adiano.
Sami.
You go explain tire.
Adiano. Uko Togo ne ayi. Benikas Pevi. Yanko.
Who are down for? When our 10 CD, we have 2 CD, obetimi a year ma. It's a good friend. Not a friend of Beka said, say, I didn't we do answer. Obi okasa bia no hwe no tutu.
Kwacho yenkuanim. Apostle yenkuanim. Apostle.
Obi agene de. Obi agene de.
Ade kwa Debere kwa kra so se ka me.
Wa hwe. You be otad.
Yenko.
Openyi. Yenkuanim why. Enra.
Yenko Prince.
Ne is angeni. Enra kotako etna fie oboy has posted on Ibrikum Chelsea but enra watching the game I had an encounter with one particular person, Menina, a while around. Now, Odin Komobi, and an argument. He made a statement, and I think, you see, we really need to understand this. The Ghana Premier League, no level no form. Listen to this. The Ghana Premier League, no level no form. The statement that he made was, Kotoko this particular season hasn't been exceptional. Without with that one aside, no, Kotoko sa call Boasi, we all saw the kind of bad results of Mukunyaye. But yes, still, Kotoko et me air competing for the league title. Listen to this, who he made this statement, and I was like, with all these things said, no, what is the kind of mentality behind this? I came in the win competing for the league title. Ghana League, no, and what for Munti. And a Kotoko, with all this struggle, any more firm, no, or still no more competing for the league title. And look, let's be realistic with ourselves. Per the level I league in and I see game no one, Kotoko is doing exceptional. Listen to this. With your level now, woman, Kotoko is doing exceptional, or let me say, Kotoko is doing very well. The reason I'm saying that, Nini, Udim say Kotoko is using almost an entirely new team. Listen to this, almost an entirely new team. And what we know about this, they say, Obiabeka say entirely new team. Then it can say throws away the fact say Tama League we were saying say Kotoko now making the best of recruitment. True. Kotoko made sure some teams no pick some key individuals do mobile mbabwa. Samba Ndongani. Look, Oba one of the best defenders in the league. Ablo, the same thing. We had some players be a Kotoko for mobile. They've done exceptionally well. Omo bua team no. Even Adrana Jete and say, look at the kind of performance for them. Oh, but one thing as you can't something you to engineer say to bring an entirely new team. Whether some we key players from their various teams, no, they've not played together. This is their first time. Meaning say a bit me backfire and a better to me so I work. I bet me I because individually or more various qualities, and if you put them together, now get that proper bonder. A bet one team now work. But so na individual qualities no want me ama that bond na ma. Or maybe bond the above who you baby no munya poor results. Enti Kotoko et me bring in quality players or my good recruitment. Getting starting the season no obia ka say Kotoko na recruitment pa good. But it's a two-sided coin. Say bet me backfire and I say bet me okay. And right now, no, we can all attest to the fact say Kotoko recruitment no and backfire. At least they are getting the results. It puts them in contention for the Ghana Premier League title. So and backfire. On the match, no. And see, with the fact say league no form, any the kind of temptations make can say the downfall sa Kotoko for mu ye you amako oboase ni niema bebre na sound el Kotoko ni na if they are competing na I would say make can say level they above form, but Kotoko is also doing very well, and let's not take away that kind of credit from them. So because the league name koyi and Kotoko etimi afa all these things more still no more compete for the league title. Even some of us feel say Kotoko betimi aje league no. Though right now I think say Bibiano Gold Stars na American right, but we still feel say Kotoko betimi aje league no. Enti mempese obi abe dispute and I say obi abe bom futura gu sete say de Kotoko nye bibia surunku bia na mo league ni na nyintia. We all understand the level of the league is low, but just like my client my man factors any niema bia e kire say with the level of the league na kwa yesterday na no amongst sebe anifrafo nyina no so wo ani ba ako a oni e fro ohene and they make so what must say. So Kotoko is doing something exceptional and we should at least say something good about them. By 1 point rather. Okay, very good. So Kotoko is doing something exceptional. I say a boy and wabaso. Now, let me say something here. Okay, Mamifa Adriana Stars did in Chato. They are being very poor. I want to talk about them. But Bibiano Gold Stars, I think that with what they are doing, so in the past 3 seasons, there are some teams that are more popping up and they do exceptionally well. So how Mediema, Mediema far so. Omo coming to the lighter. Omo bo omo even going to the whole extent say Bobo League na you know. Mediema was the best team. Samatex about baby. And we saw Bibiano Gold Stars and Nations last season. So omo performing extremely well. But due to poor finishing of the league in T, and omo come out of the contention. But this time around, I believe, frankly speaking, I believe, say, and Yamana Bibiano Gold Stars say, you know, they've learned from the mistakes from here in the last season. And they will go all the way this season to give Kotoko a good run for the league title. And yeah, more Mabaso. Because Samatex, time and Samatex say, you know, I don't want to say, there wasn't any proper contention because Satam nations have Simun HC, nations we are fresher. And you don't need that kind of caliber, the character we used to win the league. Unlike Ebia and Kotokobi, Adriana Stars has to folk win the D Samatex a cheer, and KB a bit a different story altogether. But it was because a nation. But with that one said, no, I think Samatex is something exceptional. And with Bibianu Go Stars, the experience from last season, I think with what they are doing this season, if they push a little bit more, no matter the contention at Kotoko, and Kotoko I one of the teams are a household name Omunim Quine Faso Jele, with the Go Stars could still do something. Now, Adriana Stars, Mr.
So are you?
Maybe okay, well, but they've been very poor. They have been very look. Adriana, they are struggling to win. They go away. Well, I think it's brilliant. My main fans, because they're very, very poor from Adriana Stars. And Yami had much now. There are some individuals be a main town will be a bet. Oh yeah, that's very true. That's very true.
Yeah, they are present.
Yeah, that's very true.
Philip, Bema, you know what? The Ghana Premier League will not be decided any moment from now until the season is over, and it will go to the wire. The reason why I call wire is already the lineage of the champions, the incoming champions. Already lines on Monam Sona. Koroko bohoma bibiani go stars bohom. Koroko kwa away bibiani go stars kwa away. Now you ready a day in him. Krobia Sante koroko next game Lions away. Bibiani go stars next game Dreams away. Now Krobia Sante koroko next game after Lions no next game Bechem at home Babayara. Now from there on Go Stars will go home to Young Apostles. Now the next one Krobia Santiago will be away at Accra Lions. Then Bechem is where Go Stars Sobeko to play against. Now we are dynamics now. Say no, the decider will be when Koroko will play BBN Go Stars. And Omumi also should hope say teams no mudi omwe how to folk ne why no mudi no they will falter along the line. Because sometimes in this life, so we concentrate so much on so what do you hope see bag hope see in what that is one basket. Sometimes say boy eggs ne egum no egu for more. Ebian wunya at the end of the day. Yeah. Because for now, no dynamically, mathematically, Bibia say Korokoni Go Stars, but League, and I still have that belief and hope. Say make me believe say Krobia Santa Koroko, it is their year. They are in the semi-finals of the FA Cup. They are in the semi-finals of the FA Cup, and they are also contenders for this league. There are so many pretenders this year, and Diama Samatex, any media mamaya pretenders this year, and say, Omono they understand the money ball. Yaka money ball in the league. Most Parker is a top person who understands the game. Say, ye motivated players. Go and look at where the players stay. In terms of motivation. Most Parker, a top person in terms of motivation. And that was what Samatex 96 so yeah. When Samatex Ebeji Ghana Premier League, most of their players, they recruited them from the Division 1. I'm for top players from the Division 1. Now, a blended year with the Premier League experience. Samatex are winners of the league. And one player will recruit eventually or 10 season around Baba Musa Amando, the boy from Sky Football Club. Until this time, they have Samatex here. The African they competed. I'm African. They have Samatex. For SC Mediama, constant changing coaches. Now SC Mediama. That is why two teams, Mumi this season, are not contenders, but rather they are pretenders. Now, I'm going to Black Queens so quick. Black Queens coach, a friend, Kemlas Jorgren. Who's the Dynamo for Tambo? In the born short, Kemlas, na yeko, or a Sweden. But in his coaching career, the highest away coach he was Cyprus. Or coach a club in Cyprus. Nidini tiye by friend Kemlas Jorgren.
Cyprus, yes.
I want to coach here. One of the highest points in the career. No, coach China so kakra. I coach here. That is this man, Kemlas Jorgren. And Kemlas Jorgren, I knew before Black Queens. I say, to some extent, I say coach me in since I started Juma way. What I know is that every coach be about new place be a gamble. Nobody gave a chance. Say Pep Guardiola will just blossom from Barcelona, the La Masia to the senior team replacing that is Frank Rijkaard, Ebefa. Jürgen Klopp from Mainz to Dortmund, Ebefa. And sometimes, we should understand the gambles of a situation. Situationally, no coach be a gamble. But me no, came last year grand receiving and you're too rich for me. That is my worry. And listen, Nora Hoptel, where or they that is a German could see where he on a Ghana be do the level on the Black Queens could do my prayer is that at least you be maintain that standard no. But no collapse now why and there is this lady and person me can want some kakra. Ernestina Ama Abambila. Where this girl the career partner Efe. Wabobo wa Minsk in Belarus. Currently about Gio ETO, and that is a Bimobon Gio Eto. Gio ETO. That is a club in Hungary. That is where currently this girl, Ernestina Mabambila, Obo. I describe this lady as a classic number 10. So Krabon that's Obejibo if in seven style now it says Zidane and I say Iniesta. Sad and style not no, a women's football. And that is the level. May your comparative analysis so that the ocean the OT and Betty as say this is the girl I'm talking about.
Okay.
And from the career part, she's one lady and she doesn't forget where she comes from. What was again where she comes from? She's from Kojokrom. Okay. Yeah, she's a Takradi girl. She's from Kojokrom.
Okay.
Into only baby or free bar. And she's still humble. Even that baby I will do no. She is still humble. And that is why that is the driving force.
Thank
and
you
driving
very
this
girl.
Right, and currently when you may call up Nidia Nyemi because okay. No, she has seen it all. She has competed in the Champions League with teams in Europe. Ghana in recent times, your form not deep, and I say your levels not drop. You're Nigerian and start you. But be almost how many times a Nigerian female footballers, African Football of the Year. Ghana, you're just saying. But now when we African Football of the Year, and that Tabitha Chawenga from Malawi, I'm picture him, and there is no Ghanaian player. But this girl, I think, me penny humility and the humbleness will drive her.
Okay, but that's it. Hey.
Philip, there are coaches when they are coming, they have coaches be more pedigree. And to all Banokrano, Sebi, ni pedigree ni Juma wire pen. Unim so baba be and be so yes ye will be so wa unshede hu untimi mfa un sansi ubu se oba be say we are sad we are sitting here. So that's how it is. Now half of my ball the crowd now listen yeah dear grache but this federation Nora Hoptel appointment was for me the best they've done but how we couldn't make sure say you're maintaining that beats my imagination. But Obuohwa Ebia Sebio today the Zambian man quality than we do. Obuohwa on botaebi on the necessary percent Sebio achieve sabotaero. So Obu also one year we share with man to 2 near me in oko. So they are here. But now we look forward to this. For me, I'll wait and observe what will happen in Senegal. The best way to judge the coach for me will be the Women AFCON. That's the biggest tournament of a man on the continent. A hot and a mere start is a mere access, When you know the Bakukra and Kaumami, when it get to the tournament proper, I know, sir, we are not among the top. No, we are not among even the top 6 nations about marble balls here. But at least according to whose signs of team no modern ball near Yanya Areshimu said Dachi ye Jamana Ebia ye benye be perfume. Secondly, Asante Kotoko as a football club historically a good away performer both in Africa and the league. So team way yes at least Ubeka said virtually most of them are new. I don't Jesus Bliam Kotoko at the time when Kotoko was in its prominence. So no crab minka, but I said coach no tia. So this is where coach bat team fufro. A big club like Kotoko. When here will be obemana near maybe a mark Kotoko. It is very important. Yeah. Ali is done. Somebody they do that. Obehu team we near my team we one you so near maybe so near team ye baby ni. Kotoko away record has been fantastic. I mean, there's no club in this country have better away record both in Africa and in the local league than Asante Kotoko. And the idea as a coach, on start to say Obedria, our virtually majority of the players new players in the team. So it will take time for them. And Tina Kotoko Ekwa, the only team ma esa sebi omuntu mom di safem ema team bas faso because that's Kotoko for you when they arrive at any venue.
Yeah.
And they will bring the result. Who say Kotoko away performance in the past. Emma Kotoko supporters etimi share home no grandma. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is because of the excellent performance of the team. Sorry, I say. So I mean, it's important. Say, coach, be making sure say or status or added this to the team. That will make the team stronger and better. Even Africa, where there's some away, away. Na aye bibi abe wrong mu ti omo call away call Africa na ko say there be here they found away whether say be Africa home will deal with that. Pitch. Ghana, we are not serious to develop football. We are not. On my Nankasa, from the states government to the federation, we are not serious to develop football. You pay lip service. Yeah, we are not. So the issue of pitch making, we don't have a pragmatic program for pitch maintenance. Near Siciano, near say developing, and then near say we don't. As a result of that, how many young men have we trained in that direction? For instance, Okandoma, Fanuse or Prekumo, how many young guys have we trained to be able to manage those basic pitches? Young guys in community or managing community pitches are enye sebi ashtrote. How much money is Kasen yes afibia say Premier League clubs no ye more FA ma say abances of bodies says obia anya ebia 50,000 Ghana 30,000 Ghana to maintain your pitches. Open developing players they don't play football on the roof. They play on pitches. Issue of injury is a major worry. Reason why a lot of quality players are almost carry a crab barrier prematurely. Be at the tender age. But as a nation, OT state of the nation of the president, OT pitch home.
Derby.
Huh?
Derby.
Yeah. If you're a country, listen, the economy is good. But what football has brought to this country, what if we should have brought if we did the right thing? And yet, listen, Sika, Sebi, Sika, every amount on neighbor, Manesika. As I say, I coffin first, dollars, every footballer that plays represent the family.
Yeah.
Football is almost Premier Division. All of them is 20 family. Family back 6, 4, 5, 3. Who can be my say? Adia football be ya ma on mine no say decide say be ye ni year enya no ni. Who did I make an? Yeah. And they say ye ni amri about sa niema no pitches. And the ball no ye bet twaso send a motwaso Prince Bar King Philip. Sa. Until who kutia na now can number of national teams or mobile Morocco because or hinini hunyansa. Hunyansa. Semre people say now a lot of African countries where do they go and play? Morocco. So hinini hu sa nyansa na nkede de besi. Aka African country be muchi by ka born come ya be on me born.
So mama so lo ko Morocco.
That's it. Because pitch no e wa kro bia so ebu. Ima as you speak now, Ima pitches in Morocco.
Artificial.
It was, I don't want to be harsh. It was politically incorrect, a lot of them. Sebiu, many problem if you want to construct an astroturf. with a certain standard.
Artificial to be brave still.
Who supervised it? A lot of them were politically motivated. The point was that I don't have a problem if an MP want to make sure so construct an astroturf. Nemum, who are the quality experts? Baby, near me who here, idea of Kruma Bibria. Premature ejaculation, I had say I can. Most of the MPs need that this a project, but without thinking about the future consequences of that.
You pray one change.
You pray the BSC Bassa. I want to tell you where they've constructed and then even whether they meet the standard come apology.
So you see a carbon pie quality pictures they are in clubs no.
No.
And I say
that is not what they are thinking.
Venue for young football.
It is for votes.
Oh.
And so you have the right people, the right specification to get it done well. So that chima use for a long period of time. That's our problem. What is it?
Okay.
So who can premature ejaculation?
And tell you, Jemu, you better pray near Jemu. Apostle Bedasipa, cloud internet, as a banner CCTV camera installation, a cloud internet, a banner IPVT installation, a cloud internet, a banner internet connectivity, Wi-Fi, hotspot deployment. Nina, a cloud internet, on our corner for you to me, at the amount, a banner digital security locks, a cloud internet, a banner web hosting. Cloud internet about quality internet service. Ama bibia timi akoye ede ama cloud internet heavy power. Omo bodjuma pa ye cha kwan enso ewo eye top high tech kwan so a ye wo kuma Woman Bank building mu a ye ne Love FM ede di hwede mu. Ene eni nkobo 0244601933 0244601933 ahoma betuma free cloud internet. Ye fa course ne kakra na birthdays ne so emra Yanko Yanimo, Yanko. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning, over.
Yes, let's say good morning.
Boko, Mr. Edward Guachi, Patriot.
Come back here, but I'm going to Pablo Tanzan. Let's say, right in your quiet for her for body. Now, I didn't have one of us, so now I can't tell much. You could say, I don't crash them. Let them I kind of crash. You couldn't move down after one while any year. Ain't three woman and yesterday. Let's go to a board. I can't. Oh, I can't. Okay. Picture somebody won't cut and end up on I know. Oh, true democracy both your money ever boy. And if you say, if you want it, you're on anything. But I'm not quite up the cool chance to be a fast so gloom. Yes, say, dear. But I must do the iron at the time bomb also. Support the piano yesterday. It's the players and any coach. Somebody won't cut because they're really deep and I said, you see me about Africa now. But I only ask for your groom, you know. I read it.
Okay.
It's the three players, any coach, me, I was training. I said, maybe not to come up play. You play, yeah, you know, manager. Oh, you drink a can of more thing. No more born, yes. Players, because we are not doing nothing for. But I say, you're much better than that. And so, you're not making a woman and a boy. Oh, you team let you be a flexible. Me on what the boom catra. You are also
Medasi. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Pacho Udin, baby Akasa free.
Good morning.
Morning, Pacho Udin. Hello. Ya tell cow me. Men TV no. What ye? Name Castle follow so. O Casa free he wadon ma Udin.
Oh, Makata
Takrad in Pacho Udin.
Hello.
Ya tell cow papa Udin baby Akasa free. Also Casa free Takrade Udin ye tio.
Real Madrid.
Yo. Yeah, that's a part. Good morning.
Latest intelligence.
More fire, Solomon.
English for you.
Brofo, and you dear.
Why are you agreement of English?
I don't know what you brofo.
Nobody is born of English cooking.
Oh, be a new brofo, no.
Except Solomon.
Except Solomon. Aye.
Solo,
I know Copac.
I'm a chemical.
No.
And I want to talk about the enemy example. I'm making one also. And see, I am watching number so. Oh my God, and supporters is on my CMO number so. I won't say, I tell them, order the days, but the first supporters never encouraging Yamo number so far. Because okay, all these 3 times, you know, Nayatini, about support the team the same day, Yamo number so. And I think so my idea, Yamo number so. Okay, so legging airborne, or be any episode of the you know. Once I can't say, you continue to one of the money may point out or part of the Cotobo. And the case that you have the Madbon person now in more. The most so near support to Mono. Now, what of the Gino, you sent how much nominated in my
Hello, good morning.
It is intelligence.
More fire, Kunsu Kodio Krobana.
Yeah, latest intelligence.
Yo, yeah, that's it.
Latest and Rambo for 20 about Sandra, yet Baba Yanka home. They have both the future, bomb to Kiobako, Yamubako, my country. The more who mean the question about Sandra, we took that other point in mind. They said, I take the clock in the air. Who can entry to remove the move? Was as long as I got done it yet. Making the family of the 1 year, and we have a friend who clean it. Then bomb fight a big gas.
Okay.
And there's a vampire. 80% you're not going to them, and only after them to Bobo. In the past, and that's the idea. We can make it
but I say, I don't any attending Kano. Yeah, sorry. Na yakwakofa akan kase bono won kran. Na yewia na adazwa ohini ababetrase. Konfo obi aba hoba be ya de no wache na we no. Okay. Happy birthday to Madam Mary Insia Kwating or Mamponting from Tita Nations FC. Ne mami ana okay. Eti Tita Nations FC communicator yedase Nyakopon shop ti Madam Mary Insia Kwating ene your birthday Nyakopon shop no to kwanem na o birthday no udere nya sonko kra na bibia enko yiti Sompa FM ni Tita ya wish you happy birthday Nyakopon shop another birthday o na ebi ni ho yen sorry na afei yen to aso ene asabo hini ni ede bana no oten news no koda wie ya ye tie o hini ni adaswa hey and some no wase obi ba be kada asem konfo na watch na wie ni wa kwa akodem no adai yes okay etie di si yen konkran yen kofa akan kasebo a ebu onsen enfama mo yakra mo bye bye.
Mani pas de moyen. Oh, so bien, mais ça. Na 21st can kiri o mai dia.
Okay. Don't let that one tower so on. But also the two na dia no yan.
Yeah, the record is very common. The record is very common because something young money you did bad, yeah. Okay. Somebody somebody that's here money, somebody some property, somebody radio, Yaba, Sompa.
ni kwao odi eniji enim kwansha abrabo mu afutu nyamsum wani da so edi eniji abro ni panyina
Shemaima Yamamu nyina mu ha premo to e was Sompa 106.5 FM Kasiabo ahodoɔ de edi mfompa ɛwɔ mɛn ntwa no ɛna pɛsmakafo yakɔboaboa no ya yɛde ɛba bɛsom wadaruma hyɛ ne nso sɛ Sompa 106.5 FM kasia no ɛnam ha sɛ no mu no ɛsagye ne ho ntrɛ ha ɛwɔ asante mantemo ayiko FM ɛyɛ 100.9 wote yɛnka ɛwɔ hɔ afɛ Sompa 93.1 FM ekuramu ɛwɔ Kumase takwa woduru hɔ a ɛyɛ Sompa 101.1 FM takra de ɛyɛ Sompa 101.3 FM Techiman ɛyɛ 106.1 FM Sompa 98.9 ekuramu ɛwɔ Sunyane Sompa afɛ Doma so 101.3 FM wanom so ɛto diamane ɛna Nkranza Sompa 90.7 FM multi TV decoder no so no Sompa FM obeti yenka ewo ho Facebook no Sompa 106.5 FM Accra anasa Sompa FM Live YouTube ho enso Sompa FM Live www.sompaonline.com na ensem no yakrukra de kogu ho kwasane mu bedema na kenkan bi tie bi efa free ho enensem a yede eba no de ebedi mu atintiman ni bi ene se aban kuntabufo panyi wade nsembia betudwa efa inflation match de no eho
so afo a wono na hwe ye kwaye ne nsase ho nsam so de atudwa se eniema te se excavator fira burochire ba wo mo de stamp be bo ho na wono ma de be galamse ye ho
na ile bi ho nsense menu ada man panyi de nsa esi so ya wo kire se wo bo akoto baabie enam sa yo so ma GRA wonom edi nsembia tudwa ye ne mpanyifo ebe kasa afa ho
Mampani wo yi taxi bi afiri ho no na America mampani Trump nso pagya ne diem na no nsunsuanso be na de bebre ene ebedi mu nkomo
edum adwadifo ya woniema ehye ye no kokobokoma wonom na so mo se wo monte so dogo bi enu abe
sada na panin bi de atodwa se be ten taxi afiri hoi e ba be hye mabunu den ama chacha wo mo de won ho ahyem
prosi ni bi de den kwa atwa so e wo galamse kun ne ho
we ni nuanom ene yaboaboa no se premetobreka se ebo ya eno no awiabere sei no ye de esomwo ensami Leicester Ghana Limited ekura yemu ena ye de esomwo wo mo na ye ya toothpaste ene toothbrush sada na ekwo beje sesempiremo na na kejesi a woto adanse ho ne mapansu kutayemu bi awia 21st clinic sciatica commandant ekutayemu ena afi Haxa capsule sana mixture wono nso ekura yemu bi bire koye nim no ye de ehonsem nyina betudwa akenkanfo triple A mine ejapia pam dada awie menimenu aba
ohine ire mame akua yeboa esia mabronya betimi aframa abrewati afe yenhwe na ensem no yenyimu nchiremu
ye na ye homra
Adeshimai mafe ensem no ne srane na basane nyina da yemfa engu hoi wabra yetutu amamuo ye ensem na se ede afrisika sem na ahwo my Ghana mu hase no mu a inflation no obete yase na makwa akoto ade sidio ha ade achi ya bekọ baabi no yase sidio ha ye duo no aba beka ho inflation down the double so me se na esitie no eya na enkontabufo ade ho nkontabu eba se be ya Ghana hase nom ye be ho baabi a enema enam ewo ye dwatode ahodo ene eni nyina no se na esitie ho na enrada ena nsentrefo enhyiamudie bi ekoso wabra abanko ntabufo panyin wode ensema tudwa ade afa eye nkontabu mapa ye no efa inflation ne ho na no ena professor enim Kobina Samuel wode ensema metu dwa akyerɛ mu sɛ wohwɛ fibre bosomi no mu na wɔde toto ɛyɛ match bosomi no mu a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnneɛma kɔyie paa ne nyina ne sɛ ɛsoate ɛde afiri ɛyɛ 23.1% ɛde abɛdu 22.4%. bra na ɔkasa no onimonyamfoɔ Samuel ne nsɛm a wɔde tu dwa no bi nie.
Highlights for March 2025 rate of inflation. In the month of March 2025, year-on-year inflation stood at 22.4%, which simply means that general price levels of goods and services between March 2024 and March 2025 went up by 22.4%. This indicates a slowdown in rate of inflation, as year-on-year inflation for the month of February 2025 stood at 23.1%, slowing down by 0.7 percentage points to 22.4% for March 2025. Disaggregating this from a food and non-food perspective, we recorded a 7.8 percentage point difference between food inflation, which stood at 26.5%, and non-food inflation, which stood at 18.7%. In the month of March 2025, we have recorded a much sharper decline in food inflation, which declined by 1.6 percentage points, and a marginal decline in non-food inflation, which declined by 0.1 percentage points between February 2025 and March 2025.
Abusia nipa yate ne nke wono ene aban enkontabufoɔ panyin ɛwɔ mayi mu government statistician yɛwura Professor Samuel Kwabena anim ene ne din.
Ene yefiri yewura anim de esu a na yɛkɔ yewura Emmanuel Amakofi bu a wɔn na yɛ soafo hwɛ yɛn nsase agudie ahodo a yɛwɔ ne kwaye so na pani di asɛm bi atodwa sɛ wɔ mai Ghana ɛkama yɛ sɛ yɛmra no ayɛsa nansententan ɛkyi nkuma no ɛnkyɛ akɛseɛ esan sɛ galamsey ko a wɔn ni abere sɛ wɔn bɛko no wɔn mu ade wɔn sika kra excavators akɛseɛ ba no ɛmra no nkyɛ wɔn ɛbɛwie sɛ wɔn sesa excavator no kora na atu sɛ anoma ayera wɔn hu baabi ɛbɛfa enti sɛ sɛ digitalization wɔn de nhyehyɛ bi ba ɛno no wɔn ekra excavator no bɛba bɛduru port wa na wɔn ayɛ adeɛ bi ɛfrɛ no sɛ geotagging ɛmfa ho ne baabi ade bɛwura wɔn bɛhu nti sɛ abɔnefo sɛ na ade kɔ akɔdi a ɛntɛm na wɔn asɔ ɔpɛn akyi na yɛwura ɛkasa no ne yɛn nsɛntwerɛfoɔ nso gyina hɔ dada abene wɔn kɔɔko no wɔkan sei.
We are focusing on geotagging and geofencing of excavators that come into the country and the existing ones already deployed nationwide. The Minerals Commission already has done some work on an experimental basis with 70 excavators which they are able to monitor 24 hours a day. We believe that this program of geofencing and geotagging must be expanded to include excavators all the way from the port. By the way, we are focusing on discussions, and it's too early to talk about this, but we believe that the time has come for us to basically restrict the import of excavators in this country. It doesn't make any sense that the third most valuable things we import in this country to the tune of 6.2 billion is excavators, which mainly are brought here to destroy our forest reserve and destroy our water bodies and kill all of us. This must stop.
And now what can it tiawa no name one far ready and show say this must stop. Esan say excavators no ye kan niema Ghana ye kraba ye maimu pa and na toso miensa then so eba bedi ewu. Ewie no wode to aso na wasan kire say ebinom okeka enkankan na bandada no da wo ma no say totobi sabi wokọ ayi amomone afa no woda wo mu nyina kankan kro na e kama say chini ya ban abai no wone galamsey fo no eda kete kro so wo say abane de ombetwa ahwe anopa de ombeyo bia timi aso ano no eno so san hyehye no wode tudwa.
The Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources is committed to eradicating illegal mining. However, given the challenge, complex and multifaceted nature, the government urges all stakeholders, including traditional leaders, local assemblies, civil society, to actively support these efforts to safeguard Ghana's natural resources, to preserve it for future generations, to preserve it for our future generations. His Excellency, the President remains fully committed, and let me put it again, His Excellency President Mahama remains fully committed to his pledge to eradicate illegal mining menace, and as a sector minister, I shall carry through this responsibility to the letter, no matter whose ox is